ya dey bua
na woni kunu am ka che no se kobo se bi kobo dwame ana se kobo dentra na se
be very possible you
need the
Bible say ekwan bi ho ana ete onipa ni so na yakopon ni so no entene na ekwan hia no kwa me so fa edin ekwan na tre ne de wona mu ase na wo kan bi be possible mekwan hia ne de du mia wo ho na kwa ma tiase na wo ko I think say nye dodo ne ye no enye se dodo ne ye ntina de ho agim enti I think say nye ebi mu nye no ana ye kwamparo mia wo ho fa so akwa me nke ye wo everything is possible
exercise we are thinking yampo Robbie we want to be anywhere be kra na baby girl to massage one sort one is excellence in no first also do an facility one year and that's my facility I say yes and my friend there oh doctor was a full or special or medicals and if we would mu uremu so Kolebun so ara chemo and so wa ko bo adwuma wa specialist chemical pathology ni nyina wa wura mu ntino onimi ne oka on say up down now the
I think say when it comes to sex I be before I make say anything near bruni babeka say be vagina no o say make kakra me say be bibini ntimi kan sa and say beka bia in English beka say bia the male organ no what do you call
penis
the penis no bibini you can sebio the bear man bia
so
I think say yeah no you friend in tamakakra and I think say they be because say arrive from carbon for no time ko arrive from carbon for no time ko hello my dear are you done can we leave oh yeah did that down bro for the can you please speed up any identity now worry for because bro for no car and to kan timer you feel it
so say chemo na dey because the scale of fear we France around no pensu because one say bro for can be ma so yesuku awofo no bia early education no awofo no nya na mfudima mfa na nko school bia because bro for no be ban dodo ne sa no tina sa na twi na na ebetwitwa ye ho ene nso na don talk about
am ya bre akwa because ya Africa dey bre na no come to watch we dey anya cancer do can
na on say gobe no so watch say na my boys no so hyenye mo gobe beans
protein no
on say my boys no so hyenye mo because the bia kan kra say girls dey say mu ayeden ama girls na kakra so oba boys no wona na boys na pegobe ya di pure te bi en egu udi na ekwo ho obeda you know
adaka hum
station where the man Kenya Common Radio 97.1 hey
Kwame Samuel Ashibi. We a new Kwame. In fact, na ayi we catch them is mami ni kind na etifu asen ram sam hodo me kakra. But madam mutina mu bibia ko kama metemoka. Yaba nyankopon adaroma for God and country. Kwame ayi atuna kosi sei. Chef ya woda de acha ya woda de na ayi nua na kosi sei.
Chairman asarenra around 7:45. Na man for prepare so kwa Champions League na yemi bu nso no wura mze yebenya updates about Christian Achuna chairman still na update no share my update papa bi an share my senior name manager na name management erebetu gwa nene na ansa no say ohia resources ebi ni say chairman won akodu ground to na uniama ekoso e ho na uduwa orobe ho esan say o hwe niama akoso wo pa na adan asai especially building ana team at Aspo a woman send ya na
and say for building de no
yes orobe ho but someone kind is the thermal camera na to detect say nipa be num ewo a particular apartment ana achu ewo ho na ne one num paboa 2 pairs of shoes ewo ho na che say ampa nkrofo hyewa no but adeba ko a o se bituma confirm say nipa hyewo ade abiesa oka smell sound ana ne no sight say odi wani be hu na obi hu asampa obi hyeha na afi nso no obeti say ampa nipa de tiantia mu no jamo o say ano na confirmation in but per dia camera no it might detect ampa nipa be num hyewa what in kwam ade ba ko ka o obi hia translator is as one management one could do ground but between the rescue team and one no kasa no On the be walk
Kwame, you see enema we ne ba. And no be mama angle be. Na oche me say onyi ni se nipa bibini. E da ni bu no. Bro ni bi obeka say on some assembly point. Se bia ni say na ya he ba bia. Nipa bibini onyi ni se atwi wa hwira fa bi ndo na so hwiri ye se ope ba bi na obi na decide ne ba no. So onyi ni se nipa bibini e ba ya bro fi mbo abo mo na de bi kura wa hwira free ba bia won se ne bi kura me to me ho ama bia ba bia hwe no 9 floor bi kura kopie fifth floor asem kan ho and obi dem na so I think that's another angle but the na make ambassador na asem no Kwame atwum kodo eminim so mako ka ambassador embassy nsa na say embassy kwa so ma ba do ba bia Kwame break protocol it na ye cheers all protocol observed ni hwira trane akọ enti say na omka so me hia interpreter by now say omko e ne bi kro so mtoto na omko kronu so ne ambassador ko kasa ya make sure say in the portals who wate you should be able to do some frantic effort to give them that interpreter make you say embassy will be a horse abre obi afo say metima bobo ano me dey obi amekan obi amebisa me obi amfrɛ me ne ade a anema we Kwame by now me catch the wo GFA management ko GFA rep ka ho
GFA family atune sister
Natano wakodru ho
on management kudu ho
GFA rep ka ho
GFA rep
bibisa aban rep bi ka ho
me hu bibisa but chairman just let me clarify this the ambassador no nanansa of course site and difficult situations and normally baby or Ankara from Ankara to Attaya no it take you 2 hours
so before every Ghana could do
yes it take you 2 hours but this time on because of issue now banana I didn't take 7 hours wakodu site and Jamo per what I've heard and listened to no restrictions and also even on poor ambassador no there was on the foreign affairs ministry take
Kwame watch
it. I wouldn't. That's why I would say I wouldn't. But what I have listened and read,
then Kwame
protocols.
Kwame, you see.
Although I understand, is your ambassador.
Ben, Obeka say bia oya crack to akra ha. Ben yare me tuka ko hwe no. What am I saying? Me tuka ko hwe no. Ena enra me ho do a munyina obia ena di akire me. Enti I think say Kwame say ma me no me nka say chinchina achi o but me feel say should have done better than we are seeing.
Chairman, I agree with you, but Sanya Meguso can a brofer system no own. Different from and then no. I bet you say earthquake and Chamo, this particular earthquake is see what take in Sibira in the last 100 years. Normally near earth shake
tremor no.
Tremor be at 10 seconds. Now but this one 2 minutes. 2 minutes in our courses are damage way now. And Jamo protocols no woman restrictions in the doors. Even on no ambassador or man acquaintance on for one rep and cano non fambra. And it's taking 7 hours from Ankara to Hatta. Obedu you know, Jamo, Nipan request we shall on wooding common crane a biko. And Obedu no electricity. Oh, I didn't say then. Asa, it's not so option na ebia rescue team ne bia leaders na ewu mu no otumi onu ndi nkomo but onzo amane injiremu papa bia order they said and say yeguso and chamo say na kind no the rescue team na nkasa here resources I wouldn't say achuma the rescue team na nkasa they are complaining say resources ni wo and chamo hwe adena won tumi use machines because nipa shase ogofa machine mine go grade bia na ko bia no yes so they need specialists in the name nipa ni bia fi China aba now no nipa 100 so abeka ho
na come I appear na before
ba ku bia adwuru wo so yi sakumo no say infa dan bia collapse na was sakumo na do fa jacket akogina ho ma go hwe
so come ya di show ka bena kana do for tiesi ai appear ku bi no mo ai everybody say ai kwai everybody say kodia so the original ai regional kodia do pa what me ka be bo ache kwam kodia mutisi mo appear ti
Missy back or chitiri last week or chitiri. I want for dance or pie. La bunkai last year, baby. I said, I'm also selling Sutoya. And not move then over kind. What would you be? I'm crying soon. Grab a year for a woman. I said, we hear resources. As a mania mano, a slow rescue team all because resources we hear human resources and not a lot of rescuers. I said, well, na obebo because be say wodo nsa dwudwuru form ne ade obrebeba obehu me kakra ansa na wasan akoto aso ebu an obi so at the moment ohwe se oba beje ne nkwa okwa akohu akofema kowu enti no say uhia specialist nkakra ebe take time asase nra one rescue obi a otiase they are rescuing people they
kayen nua churu de anwani akwada tie wonya ba bi kra na se bo bi ntomi
na moniti na de a
obetimi na otwe mienu kra
yes obetimi so
but say you rich in them because do be kwa me okra wo dan wo timu no na se safo ano hyem na safo ano bi a ubie ne mi a kwa me free
bra obre ne ade
enti obi ka say owo ehwe you can see death staring at you we hia emoya na emoya ne so ma ha adwene but obey ne dey enti so far two are still not been found.
Yes, but chamo me wo gidi be o hwe say na progress ne kwa on say starting video so no na ye hu new location baby a ne dan kwa wo eni ya be hu baby a ne dan wo yetimi allocate say nipa wo yetimi ache say ye hu ni two pairs of shoes it tells you say that particular area no ni apartment. But one thing I'm also thinking about is that you're a teammate of Christian Achu or no Cameroonian. I bet say Achu ban after the game. No one ya fee. And I did time we bought game near the idea going. Ofi ni 20 minutes.
And I didn't see.
See, it could be say bia when no fee. And a tone walk and also
likely say ojina kwam kra bia mama to pure ten ko fie
mama to bi me fa shop ya no to bi bia na
bi could be say baby ahwe no kwanya ho no
bi akra no because yanya kodu the room
oni ho na paboa ne mo
paboa ya unu paboa but chamo hostel ne yam pai ne ho bi say ebe weekend be kwa wie no our brother Christian me dem ojini so tia
mo manad mo fo no so bi nko na mo fo ni bi konko
na sakumo no osi dan when uncompleted be adwuragu not move goes one
I obika say me kai say bribia ayi alote Jacob call energy comfortable US na which is Skype sans na opani edenti na Ghana ban bo ho card ko what expertise ni say you are stupid to ask me that question. Excuse my language on radio. I said that sabe ko abi
onye energy
I say edenti na sa ban bo ho card ko sa confirm no wonim die anyway or because
Radio.
I mean, I said that before. It's almost expertise. Almost expertise. What? Disaster management. Party na hwe wa se ko
just question admo.
Enye se do ko training bia se onina na mu sa.
Because chemo even o check dinam. Enye obia the nti ahun man focus rescue team ni so ani adon. Enye obia they need a senior kind expertise. Send over back.
I'm not before expertise ni kwa me. You know. It could be article for you. Only expect
reflectors grow ni bi.
Kwa be nya paint is.
Only boot. Kura say what shadow ko ground. Only go so be sneaker that do to be penetrate. They don't know.
I never ya say the way free abakoba him fear say we thank God for another beautiful morning. Good morning to you. Good morning, y'all. Thank you very much. Richard from Kumasi. Offer Masters, good morning, KB. I'm listening and watching live across Akwapim. God bless you. Bless you too, brother. And Lisa Brown, she says, nice looking AK. But they love Akuma Bone. I mean, I came out.
Lisa, I don't pay my minchia, papa. When we say, Miss Meadow, papa, Lisa.
Quite man, quite.
Right, Okuman 97.1. And a pension, a good year, some, and I say live on Okuman Kasa. Yanson Yare, Panopedia, and a second come from my parcel paradise. Crobia Santis and Bombe Chidom, Amaden so and Semino Eddie Bro, Edino, Kelvin and Pontetti, who from Akin, so Major I said, Bibia, I come on, I can't see. Star 787 us. Star 787 us. Omukra mua yanso yare nsem nyina enso no eba brepam ye de mu chirechire mu enso na eba pa eba hyase enso no atumi e de Referees Association of Ghana RAG enso no akache na ene ye bowura mu enso ene secretary e de ma Referees Association of Ghana Mr. Alex Anin enso no atumi ene ni din komo na yebisa say ene Asante Kodogofo jirema u referees no mu di game no azenya ma nkoye emfa ma Asante Kodogofo ntenei omudo ma kwantoa so omudo kwako gira mu referee Alex Anin godo kwantoa nsem no ofane sen
professional activity no football say e producer na e hard kakra but ninja sure say referee baba modern say we seen it feel be mistakes dey on e be on say nipa ankasa kraa wahwɛ wayɛ mistake bi a wankasa no wodwe ho a wonte ase de nti a wɔyɛ saa mistake saa nti ne human activity no some of these things nti ɛnyɛ nika sɛ baa saa but obiara so wɔ kwan a ɔfa so sɛ ɔbɛdi ne dwuma nti so far as sɛ wɔn hyɛ da bɔ referees bi din sɛ obiara nim kwan obiara fa so bɔ ne mpaeɛ yɛmɛka ne sɛ yɛbɛgya amena konkɔn hɔ a na mmom yɛnkɔɔfoɔ na yɛbɛbɔ mmɔden atoɔ mu nyinaa fo sɛ obiara kɔ a obɛbie n'ani yie na wabie n'adwene ne no na ɔde ayɛ adwuma no na ɛsane mu nti yɛbɛpa yɛn football ayifoɔ no so kyɛw zi bɔɔl a ɛnya bɔɔl ahotumi sɛ pole ni na sɛ sɛ ɔbɛhyɛ mu na wabɔ ne nam baabi a wobɛhu ne sɛ wahyɛ da ma ɔyɛ saa nti wobɛbɔ ne bi ana.
Winning summer referee secretary and as a Referees Association of Ghana secretary Alex Anin and so to January ni bisa and send the first round of the Ghana Premier League Bet Power Premier League abana we referees no omodin mono ohun ni saying
Yamichi says, Edin Kani, a better mabacho, if you say, Omabo Modern, Etia hold Ama first round up and a year to be able to bring it to this farm, and yet a modern boat and Omabo. And on Chessa, there isn't any short force. Then I Nipan, then a simple crowd. There could be some mistakes. You need to cassette mistakes, should override or cloud over whatever performance they have put up so far. Into a bomb. Because second round, Obronika will say introspection. Bianco resting on go within him, no Rebellia, we both seen on bomb against all the party. The second round, it perform better than what we performed in the first round. Or spice here higher. So no matter your performance, even perform 90%. Next time we're expecting to improve to get to the higher and the higher level.
Referee Alex Enin, secretary at the Referees Association of Ghana, and I don't know Oten Yemfi referees are catching up in Sono, Yenko Pima Ghana Premier League, Unum said, Meme Day Nimino, Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko, Ekwaku Piemo, and Sono Awan Sotomana Finsono, Amanin Sotomana FC, and Sono Etumi Eri Abuenina Communication Officer, and so Edema and Sotoman Pobokono, Uranidini Atinka Kofi Joe, and any Din Common Yebisan as the first round, and Sotoman, Ultimate Tenefie, not Timu Abeshamu, Hatofok, Eba Ebeshamu, Elmufie, second round, Mubet Tenefie, Elusulusu games, and as the Neno, more points in Nina, Moji Elfie, Mr. Atinka Kofijo.
Second round, there is no other side. And I'm going to say, has the no, 1-0, and I'm Abeshed Yako. But this time round, we, Kotoko, Yako, penalty be a Kotoko GDTI. Who put such a referee pom. Now me say how the munti me referee pom no.
Mo boy we
referee bia winning summer no aye communication officer Atinka Joe and so na the two jwa Edeman so Traman Poboko no na ene yenko na fenso no yenko piemo our former Hatfield defender Abrantia ni din ede Dankwe ana yebisa ne say Dankwe boy wa bobida hat wa bo ede amom Black Stars we wure mo World Cup 2006 na dia Ghana Premier League we di echi defenders so no ota scout yompa na ene Hatfield former player ni ede Mohamed Al-Hassan ogo piemo kotoko ojilisa Abrantia kwa wako piemo kotoko no Abrantia Mohamed Al-Hassan Obebo Asante Koroko Bubu no.
From the experience we had in the Ghana League, and as someone is a very good player, so we to my we a good defender in Ghana because Kotoko our experience is we in Palano we are sure say we pillar which you are more. But my member say injury no man but we to obetumi say we best starting national team Moro Arasa obetumi starting collapse out coach obefre so because of how so coach we almost tawani ade lintina one for we have fun one for we challenge this one for boy well when they yes or no order for but most mpani bi nti so mpani bi wa unjume gaze we move 3 months anamebwa
winning some former Hartlepool player Dan Quay Edi Tuja Edifa Mohamed Al-Hassan na onum 10 FA Cup draw na abetoja yes Asante Kotoko doma na feso no Aduana Stars enso na timi abo na Honorable Kofi Akapela ono etemu Aduana Stars akache Honorable papa anene Honorable Ekazaza hey sansama Asante Kotoko coach anedin enso ne Saidu Zebo enenam ekeka say Aduana Stars for no omomode mo nsadan kwan na omo yetu trust no players ni mu ade na ase ko Saidu Zebo no emze ono no sabi ojana num keke abeso distabi Aduana Stars team no sana be Asante Kotoko pa omenya nkurimdi over Aduana Stars.
When was the last time I said the matter support be out to referee? Then baby or Ghana high it's referee. Not referee now so because one you say well Charlie one said on my be the other. Yeah, last match to cry a boy, I acquire by more reporters they could be cutting them out. Referee park is almost 10 minutes to 15 minutes. And so now I'm come on the red betting. But don't matter how say be that. Maybe who say the start league now you know maybe a by program can be a ever change in the but how can it be a no correct.
Dia osenya no kre eno ye Honorable Kofi Akapela ose Aduana Stars ye beji league no korokompe enti no mokeka sansem no ede gu ye mfina Honorable Mambisawo mo ne koroko na bebo FA Cup no ede empa na ni wo hwe se mo be
Yeah, I do get a car so protocol about any beshebe. Then we be on your referee, you know, bossa. As my car stand up crab in America. Yeah, you be in to quite be in your own coach on Colombian loot no panko. You be CBA to obey the loot.
Yebesi bia ne de obeji ni tu na eze de korokwa kofe bi atena na ne kura no mede wusi no ti Honorable ene abrante ne de Daniel Dakwa waba Zakaria Mumuni ono zo koya masana ba ene brante unwa musen
Nani actually the best supporters. I know cry watch yari supporters look at your push yari home meeting and to be an home sembe babon today. And so why popular who idea. I mean breaking from us say that supporters say ni SCB no tabi I spend a free buy and go for market and buy. Na say be market so there. Bia ntimi njiaje including some of them money the best supporters. Oba jana go to ya hopa yin can't. Players no ba no say obemeje shi no mo be bo ache. Na ba ho limit ya be ya mai. The best is in the neighborhood bia tama ko judge the country bia say on chaso na ya maya dun ko league na fete ya dun so go see e ko fasanses na ba we dey na pene we dey na pene we dey the crew have you see na pene ka dun ko free league na ba sa the best say supporters na be yan pante was the bema question na say ko tin na fa yen intro ya hwe bu ne ni dia e wo ma bema question ya fa yen intro na yin na yin chaso ya support e ma player
Bemba jishe beba bebo na be asanko nu krum ano enso no Honorable Kofi Akapela ano de nsamade atuja erefa Zakaria Mumuni ana feso Daniel Dakwa senenso semrante na nka no muso makan de Aduana Stars ekose mu ane ade enei omasen aba ana supporters ni bi adwa omonso ede wonsem ede atuja Honorable acheru se bebe jishe bebe bobo na be akonu krum nti supporters be nya ntobase enti ano so ano no yanko piemu enso no ewonsem fufuo ne fan samaka Enfanto so enfama denra manane onu say UEFA Champions League big games no etime to Joanna Senchara nyasem kuma na uko remu enso no ewe ne na pobo kwani dim enso no Club Brugge aso ya omutem Belgium Club Brugge etena ho ema Benfica from Portugal ebetene pone kam you know onso no went to me anti Branton din enso the John Mario Eboko na fenso no David Neres enso the bako episo enso the ma club aye bobo kwani dim Benfica omunya nkunibdie over aye Club Brugge na ukopiemu enso Germany Signal Iduna Park na ese we no aye Borussia Dortmund enso na tumetena fia o Signal Iduna ete aye Chelsea the Blues Abidjan Blue enra amfa yay Dortmund abo Chelsea kaba kwa omonso no entimi anti Branton dim enso no ede aye Karim Adeyemi and a board the only goal enso de ma Borussia Dortmund team no ntene ye twem se second round no Chelsea betima ye gonya na enzo na dwafale sa mo ba ye kurudie kura mbaye and na Champions League matches no enso no anasa Europa League no matches no ebeto aso enso no Europe channel so 5:45 and Ajax Amsterdam etnafie no so any Union Berlin about 5:45 Barcelona so na etnafie o Camp Nou na fenso no Manchester United enso the media boy na we Barcelona ni Man U bo Europa we Southwark nso bɛtena fie 7:45 na nso no ɛne AS Roma apɔ 7:45 kora na ɛsɛ wei ne Shakhtar Donetsk ɛnso ne Stade Rennais ɛbɛbɔ 8 p.m. Ghana time no Bayern 04 Leverkusen ɛtena fie ɛnso na Bay Arena na ɔno nso ne Monaco ɛtumi apɔ Juventus bɛtena fie ɛnso no Allianz Arena ato ne nsa ɛda frɛ Nantes na ɔmo nso ɛtumi ɛde apɔ ɛne Sevilla ɛbɛto nsa ɛde frɛ Philips Sporting Eindhoven PSV na ɔmo nso ɛbɔ ni a ne nyina no ɛba so 8 p.m. Ghana time na akɔ PM Lisbon dia Sporting Lisbon ɛnso bɛtena fie na ɔno nso ne Midtjylland ɛnso ɛtumi apɔ ɛno nso bɛto dwa 8 p.m. Ghana time Europa Conference League no say na ɛte playoff no Bono Glimt ɛnso ɛne Lech Poznan ɛbɔ Braga ɛne Fiorentina ɛbɛbɔ ne nyina 5:45 Karabakh FK ɛnso no ɛne Ghent ɛbɔ 5:45 Trabzonspor ɛnso ne Basel ɛbɛbɔ sanso na ne AEK ɛyɛ Larnaca ɛnso ne ɛyɛ Dnipro Dnipropetrovsk ɛnso ne bɛbɔ Lazio ɛnso ne CFR Cluj ɛbɔ 8 p.m. Ghana time Ludogorets ɛnso no ɛne Anderlecht ɛbɛbɔ na afei nso no Sheriff Tiraspol ɛnso ne Poboko Anidim ɛne ɛyɛ Partizan Belgrade ɛnso no ɛtumi ɛde abɔ ɛne nsɛm ne dɔɔso na mmom ne ɛsɛ ne fatasa no pɛwote no ɛne ɛno nso yɛde aba ɛbɔ no ndu a ɔne Global Sports extended edition of the show no yɛnso ɛde nsɛm ahodoɔ no nyinaa ɛnso no ɛbɛbrɔ na mmom no ɛyɛ star 787 ash ɛna mekamfo ɛde ama Nano Vals Day amanfo di sika pa na amanfo na kasa jamo yenti amanfo ne nsɛm ɔmo kan ɛde fa star 787 ash ho
offer me Teresa Ado and I'm star 787 hash and Okuma 97.1 it's me to me winning a sum of 100 Ghana cedis amidi ready chocolate day me da Okuman ase afen so me da star 787 hash so mama kwenyen me da obi ase
me din de answer me da Okuman radio ase ewo anopay egori awodi efa star 787 hash ase me kan fa mo bia nti obi anfa no nhwem obetuma diska kese Ghana Aishi nti obi anfa no nhwem.
Yeah, yepenkwane broom Ebenezer Meledole Safari. Kuma radio oko promotion adeve. Promotion akover star 787 hash. Promotion ele G intolo. Na yebe ole ready. Dey the star 787 hash. Me win 100 cedis in doya. Me de kuku me akọ me youth wo me akọ me adoko ko deme. Me win. I'm ole do promotion ele G. Ta mi jaddo me akọ me apero ko deme. Ye friend me broom Ebenezer. Me ye juma o Safari, Aqua Safari and above Safari Valley. Ubo promotion bi Okuma radio mu de aba star 787 hash wodu hu shema obe win e biawe midwi se intro bi na mutwa omo bisa questions me answer me win 100 cedis en kwa na mikita Okuma radio dream promotion e koso mu we mu fa mu hye mu bedi wati
star 787 hash no eye game a utumi de hu shema a obenye sika nti obi amfa no hu hye mu mekura me wini skani bi nti wo de hu shema a obenye sika
midin the offer me do Okuma radio na star 787 hash ase and I pay no more promotion be ebusa questions afa star 787 hash ase nti me frey na me winning 100 cedis ti me kan farmer emebu ne mrante a ewo krom ha say anape bia utwa obetime wini 10,000 Ghana cedis every Saturday obetime wini 700,000 Ghana cedis madam so bia anfa no hu nhyem na bebo aye
Okuma radio
star 787 hash ajiba bia obi ajafa ti on asofuwum sanso na kromafuwum zukufuwum adwumayefuwum emiane merma obi ajafa star 787 hash anopay fia na anopay akwakopem 2 p.m. no eyeti gban na 10,000 Ghana cedi rafo no yedi gum na so tie ya gotumi aiden edibi na nyia ne za obeni tie me fa mobile phone na ukra no on phone na ukra na ukra on sem na miemia no tie na mia ba bia kwa numbers no dial star 787 hash tie star 787 hash abawi mia send onzo mia send any options na ba choose option 1 no buy ticket buy ticket it's what you option 1 no I'm out number of tickets me wa ene no number of tickets ubeze o discuss here ozo de nam na yinam ongo mia ongo to 1 dabi uto be 3 5 6 10 na say 15 na what to agum raffle to agum what to agum awie okay fine afi bo mobile money pin yes no na do ba betu aka no pa edem twen amo 2 p.m. no 10,000 Ghana cedis and also na kunya ne dawa musu be wini ere ama ho na je say baby ide na Saturday jackpot no Any target, any message in by you are close. Me hit the jackpot, pam. Hey, we live at TV so. And then jackpot on Saturday. And also no, Otto Rafunuguma say Saturday no. Who chance so benya 700,000 Ghana cedis. That's when can it tikano 7 billion na tie ne wom ze nanka na jackpot no e was 690,000. Ya dream ho sa 787 us. Ya dream ho for prices e kosoro economy haircut ne ade a. Ya se there be never 10,000 Ghana in some fan piso. It's we no peacock ne dia piso no. It's 10,000 Ghana cedis send dia pimu so. Ya pagem from 690 and I copium 700,000 Ghana cedis. Ninya say a star 787 as jackpot no and yare ma o hit ya ba osudo ko anim de bia wa kwanya say no so no obetuma 10,000 Ghana cedis 5,000 Ghana cedis 2,000 Ghana cedis abrebia abedunya kwanya ato star 787 as and so e bi na ye say odi sika gu boto ankoda yes school na pa emoko school yes ajuada omomre school hey who confess sika wen fa wonjimu sesi a ebedu memene da jackpot o hit ya ajuada akura my friend carry your chobos yanko na sika ofie akoda nsu anopa ajazie nyina no star 787 as star 787 as and I mean so no me kan for and so ediam achede ne buruja brepam de bia maka kire 10 radio no de ye che be fa ho mo amusia me na eke na da be yesi mu cheska tie ye cheska o star 787 as uti okuma radio ne ye boss a utu no da ye betena se wa ha ne ye se ye cha ade no ubenya bi emo wa da be ye fu na fa ho me nsia me misa o sia me bisa me na metumi de acha wa ne star 787 as and metumi de acha o etitie radio ni tem bia man na e betumi aba anytime ya be cheniama on bia mobile phone e bia zika na no vaze say 100 to chocolate je we fa to chocolate ready not just here enti no open cheche mu bia so a obe fresh star 787 as for our 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 and WhatsApp no WhatsApp you so unsa ebeka mum 0272 636 448 0272 636 448 I know a star 787 hash and I mean so no make am for no ere ama e be try one pa ye pa chairman mu nyina chairman ama for chairman chamo and so na tenase live no command kasa na kroman nsem and also no ode ato amoso.
Say you cast Dominion herbal powder emma immune system and then kwabo wo ni peduam no yeden na ne senti wo tadi yare sunkunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adon dey fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yesi me say
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na be kanfo ne aye wo me ni peduam no eburo madwen ene menti ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo asebiagumu wafan seti yanum wawie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo aba ton mo manufo ene nkwada woni fiedum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum.
Oh la la! Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in penny for say. Enya cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomodia the weni choma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Sambi person to call site a hoodwo. Concrete product. Anafe. Almost supply abo anya. Anafe bibi biara upebia wo building site wo. Kaiser almost so the into real estate development and so. It would dino person upejan in tempa. Wofra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wobejo so. For any job busumasi equipem. Amono Krapim, Koforidia, Asunjay Junction, Wasabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company, from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 90 954. Who social media handles in a Ofla Construction Limited Company, Wasa Erekomo, Kaisa, we have free delivery. Baby, I will be and phone. Yedebeko could jaw in tempera, saying Ofla dia, and there you are not building. Kayo sa Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property our priority.
Meni Jiminia. Menu aduane wo fie ane de ntise ne ame pe no. Minnim kwan ya mefa so a me fiefu ani be gime aduane no.
Menu penny, yen said na papa peridian and no cinema medium.
Na fear ban is sending some yameni. As a semi yahu bibi and son, I'm in
for we with Diani free neco. Na fama said that bring me a tree.
Quite a desi from Suku. Hello. I didn't remember drew her. Sabobane Dianasa, more beer and mommy subu.
Fear natural spices are done. We hear BCC, the Bian one Medrian will be fear had. I made the bean swap of Gumisu.
Fear natural spices powder. A down bedaddy.
At 0552 617 139 0546 761 939 0242 299 0691.
Asempe bia ba. Upesika akostati ejuma bi. Uhia bosia atre udwadie mu. Uye government ana private worker unye sika de ate hot bi so. Uye busumi ejuma unye scan tempa bi so. Eni na quick credit be ma obosia mo atwa ne kakra. Eye collateral free loan na susu savings account opening deposit BRNim. De hia ne se uye Ghana ni na wo Ghana card. Se wanye ejuma afiwe mu de kodia na wa na upe o excuse BRNim. For quick credit it was 0302 200 390 and 0596 920-833. Number for Biara Frewa and quick credit. Shannon so say quick credit and malone ewo internet so. Inti Shanna Obiara and Dadao. Bank of Ghana am momu dedi hu kwan na kaise nhihye da ho.
Quick credit. Lending made simple. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Yapo mabaso ni edumapa o area boa o mine Ghana eni edumapa ntin na yakete nyakopo nshira edumapa mfundisi no mama mfundisi eni yapo mubetini ejina no ediamboa o mine Ghana ina bema edika no meso ma me na wato na me mo mabaso
Radio. Blazing.
Yo, me just me bo abaku di mapa, o bo ma japim no. Na mi sira be be ni mapa o bo. Na mi sira o yiro nye we in family kali nye ma be be ne haya ni.
Akwantu ayetu itu na ni mi e na soti pakwa. Na tu ade aso. Enu ti na baby ade hia. Ya dani kwa baby acrossi. Na se be
Okuma Radio.
Ubin mo brim kwashasi. Enti sukama diemra. Uonkwa na wadia. Abusma kuteso koninya. Ompri no da. Ode brebre beko. Enti pantu bwasi wenjuma. Na pesika. Na yeka. Sensika ni bemo. Yema birai. Yes, bramba yebe. Sika ni bemo.
Akropon Kapim. Okuma Radio.
Ina bema edika no meso ma me na wase.
na me mo mabaso.
All right, just about 18 minutes after 8. Bright time he calls us once he can't bury my. Show home in here. Oba no when you feno onya kadie wigene facia hwan no kwama ayi friend say pon back from here make up near na no esoko abema de water I dey bet me ajuwa this car water that this car I have water kwa want no magana say
oh me tia say sika na be ma
kwabe well ejeni ho wani so
ni twa nkrofo bibiri wo krom Ghana ya
nye sika
abi wada na ko sika na ko di boto fi
ko di abi bone kwa mrako ye bo ache
agbeni agoto akwa bi ani mo social media akwa tu dunia na anu bia sika
arasa pongole no
sika ga we
ya me yo so
yaso bema honye fa na tika se bi ajiska
bema no honye fe no ne brofo no ye Kaji Bros Kaji Bros
okay the you evangelist I say you evangelism here was the boy the
man say boy
what's that friend say
Kaji Bros unse no honye fe inti no oboka e de jinkrofo de Kaji Bros yeah no honye da nya nya de oba bia be se no say Kwame Trinity
why say me so tu ano
yeah Kwame Trinity unse anopai obi aba comment say Kwame why fe get odopa nipa no honye fe mani ode mani Trinity no mpa boy nto onye den nti ono no sa no unse bibi won nsam nti no je woni da so be na
ode ko me ko we kibi won kra na Kwame na wo say ni patieti afọ do me omo paniem e be ma attraction abom so na hwe ko esu e hye ne nkawe egu ni sakapo ni anam se brade Yakuba right e wo to hwe ma ho yi we jine ka sa o patient o de se be se nkawa ni ade na se so to ka so se o ye musician na de bad de kwa me akwa yi kire ye na so o kwa me je se o si anu awo so no apeti na Eti dey right easy.
No it is no be ya mafa.
Yes about we jefe Kwame. Onya wig bi ne pons ni lashes dey Kwame what yes.
Make up obe ye no.
Kwame what yes.
Akọ na wan hwe ni na akọ fafi krom ba fia.
Kwame me se bere ma ho jefa dey be se bu yesika. Uni sika forget it.
It is a jointy.
Never is. Okay na san kure bu kwa sasa.
Obe mo presa.
I have 72 got a boy watching Iras, a boy for Asante. Funny to you, my brother, my big brother, and comrade Kofi Afro, Big Afro.
Yes,
Mammy Yagoman Saneba, Comrade Kofi Afro, I don't pay him watching.
Also, one piece of was your meeting and some people are put through. Hey, Tiano.
From Mr. Awuku, do not from Japan or do and pay a very good morning to you. Thank you very much for the support, and we appreciate you so much. Foster Latte or being offline at the party car, bro. Because you know how we do it. Also to the manager, Mr. Opari. Offline for you at the pay Babachi. I'm going to call them in chat and not Bamu. Aba na pa me mo acho himrantie pa o soko pa kwa me na pa na amono krom wonim no ho na kufu
me ko wa na ache
o na kufu say o de
ba Saturday me gine wo
kwa me o che ne be sinzi na kufu o hire ada pa o hine kufu ya bo ache woni na ba mu wo amono krom na didie na jansa no ya didie Another pay my money na che. Na ye pure water bi na kwa me kama na no ma me be nu mi ba fie na e mo de yi kama pa is it nso na ye prum no me pedi na ma ye na me dia tugwa enche ye do mo no krom dia na me nchia Parliament Sport Eric already CEO no and the Parliament Sport friend Eric na kwa me anti was Eric ta me de Eric wona me ja Eric ni use no
some kadana kan maybe says na wuni abrofo di.
See mami Eric Kevin Anso na he calls that Eric Anso na mami aje so yes all the make up na me anti be on Elic but so James Elic I'm so nekuma I love it
that side no
that
side for no
Elic na me fear Chelsea the Kofi Reclam the Kofi Elic na me pay me go see for me, I just say a presidential jet in about was that Kazankran.
Chairman, son, now do to Ghana.
Yes, I jumped in the
Genamo. We know so work of yeah, a vending commissioning, and I work on them.
September work on the Jana Quana.
It's about I say, Commander Quaba.
And a 4 pension.
Bopata. I didn't go where she was a young presidential jet on Okwa and Aquaba. Yako Senator Mampany Baku, some media, Kuguaya, Seku for Crop of Yabako, Nayako ship.
Isn't necessary? Maybe a name.
Jet, presidential jet. No, that when I Air Force One, email say, Aqua maintenance about what they
because we play too much.
Me sure so obey my
I don't want to do that.
Yeah, me sure so
I think so. Kwame.
Yeah.
Jet number.
I said, Dano, okay, say, and got this match, you know, Gayana petition, Dosuna petition. Yaniba also now, ye co voter. And to go to the year count, if you want my year can't, don't the moon trains or command for the count be an inquiry. Oh, and I say, yeah, now so their mom. Nanka went to the edge, I dare say, near the quarter pest, near bar.
September, September, October, November, December, January, February. Yeah, as a baby, Smith 9 nominee. Yeah. He said, "I'm just a bit called long haul." Just say America. He kwame also the Arctic region. Icelander.
You.
Kwame, wait here or say, "Mami happy panichi." Say, "And never know my basa baby free bano." And true, my dad and Toronto bomb. And I pay Oshe Daily Guide chia.
Daily Guide. Daily Guide. Never buy.
Papa Fred Blee, indigenous Blee Papa.
Former
chairman, Western Publications.
Okay.
And now, or they buy any butcher was a presidential jet is back.
Okay.
Kwao. It's in any photo. And now a Bohoya Republic of Ghana, 9XEE. I mean, and a bohon. I'm going to be the about now. No more can say, Mammy Henny, we buy. We know the car say. Bet me long haul no paper na back the buy say the ejinamu tin dia and they will say enko take enko he na ejinam enuni the Daily Statesman some say statesman also Gabi kwam one nko we ni enton kan ye or say Ghana's presidential jet back now fit for long haul travels after retrofitting as I say now fit say the general say you know about fire no
about Bonnie Ataso, Edding.
About
Bonnie Ataso, Edding.
What shall I be that?
It's almost you.
On Pentoqua.
Bella confirm me. I was about Cocaso.
Confirm about Bonnie Ataso, Edding. I don't know what you
are. My bonnet, you know, I'm Pentoqua and do Pata. It's also soon. Say, only remember.
And the presidential jet is back. That's a good news. We are not going to rent any aircraft for the presidency or any other official travels. Executive, you know, they say, the cost involved.
Yeah.
Now, transparency, you say, and they can't care for jet and they young for you. And we are saving ourselves that money. And then they want to say, Atoy. Actually, also, I say, Attorney General School CDD on legal advice to public institutions. Papa any bank the lawyer penny and I know the advice ma Auditor General chance there be many Attorney General my running penny report na ode ba no mraba tani say we are the parliament na parliament we are ansana be 2 and answer be resource a bit we do ya no publish it no na penny so e buy CDs no ni advice there be Mran say onye ye pa for public consumption and the parliament pa public consumption intend do be best ya say school biem kokosia me lawyer ni na I'm city for lawyer for mo read the law well you are wrong Attorney General tell CDD and then they kwame or they ehun sem atugwa no
you are Godfrey Dami
Godfrey Dami no you are Godfrey your boy Dami nice man sir kwame o here actually Boku chief rejected Boku Boku na ene say ohene toye no omusibi no aban de wajim say there be onyin tu no I mean maintain e ma bi ase na aban de o say ni when there are security lapses near the Ababa say offer security. But some of the papers are reporting now about can say wrong. Nobody should hold himself as chief of Boku. Besides, police for the chief be a better secret say or Boku Hene. What does it? I think we I think we should allow the chieftaincy people, the football people, chieftaincy people, to deal with it. Now, Abine can say, well, from what he's hearing, this is what the chief makers or the skin makers are saying. Until we should allow them time. Now, ABR for now. Until I think that's what is happening over there. Boku, yesterday, Bibia and from kama. Peba sabase bia.
Boku issues nangasa doors on the down. The issues are making, and even with the constitution, no crana. Ele boma no brano. A kafa, who a king is or who a chief is. A child offer the customary processes in ma. And then my angasi so abaimi. So I think the Senate they should just allow the chieftaincy. Yes, so they should allow the chieftaincy. The chieftaincy ministry, but one crown. The traditional council, regional chiefs. So I think that they should allow the chieftaincy people, and that's how you follow and solve the one problem. Because I banned the remember, and I they prepare so I think they should allow the chief.
I'm storing a very
interesting story. You say that no enche bia na kwafo no ye krata bia we na bedi hene we na bedi amko lanche e wo ye kwawu no ha misusu say saa ade no enye yenjintum chieftaincy mpanyifo no hwe na obi anye bi se ne be ya say we free mu a em say we na bedi ade we free mu a we na bedi ade nye kwafo ye na anu ya yi minjidi se sebe ohini be fimu ho ana panyi be fimu aye penensi anamu ni a ebekọ akwakoto aban anim oho ha
I mean story no or say graphic edit to say purported enskinment of new Boku Naba illegal government aban na say January 15th and say the government has condemned a development in Nalorigu today concerning the purported enskinment of a new Boku Naba. In a press statement signed and issued by the Minister of Information, Kojo Ponkroma, the government described the purported enskinment as illegal and a threat to national security. Government further reiterates that Naba Asigri Abugrago Azoka II is a Boku Naba, duly gazetted and a member of the National and Upper East Regional House of Chiefs, the government stated. It said the security agents have therefore been directed to arrest and prosecute any other person who holds himself out as a Boku Naba. Further, any development in that have the potential to undermine the peace of Boku will also be dealt with swiftly in accordance with law. They said background. Earlier this morning, February 15, 2023, the Mamprusi faction of the protracted Boku conflict was at the palace of the overlord of Mamprugu, Nairi, Na Bohugu Mahama Abdullahi II for the enskinment of a new Boku Naba, despite the recognition of Naba Asigri Abugrago Azoka II by the government and the Upper East Regional House of Chiefs are the legitimate ruler of the area. The Nairi has since enskinned Seydou Abagri Kulugu as chief of the Boku traditional area, raising concerns of a possible escalation of the conflict in the area. The action of the Nairi, who is a kingmaker for Mamprugu, Boku, and other areas of the Upper East region, is considered a disregard for the current Boku Naba and could lead to more bloody clashes in the conflict-prone town. Kwame, ASEMM say, Oche say, Papa, one more Eddie Kadnisi Akumane Sono. Ona Obonidin say, Naba Asigri, Abugrago. Everyone can take Azoka II. Ona ne Penifod Nafa and Yemamuni and Manani and Mamrimuna Wagazetino, now a National of Chief and the Upper East Regional of Chief member. And they Mamprugu for us was there be. One moment I say, and he say, and some by no, Omo etiatua a year opinion on Usi Henewo sample term hono. Na Bugri Mahama Abdullahi. Or no name Mamprugu Nairi. Honde Kwame Modio. Ete and they almost akofa Obia, almost Ababisina Netia, and a binary to Tiama say Gazette, Nadia, a Gazette, no meaning tomb. Na Omia Son Kosifu Frono. About national security. Na kofa how we naba enti ene kwame o say tell it immediately. I don't know why I gazette no na we sukusi obi so no some premier there. I think nneɛma saa national security already hɔ ne boiling area da hospital ɛni wɔ hɔ a ɛbɛ saa na resources a yɛde bɛyɛ mpuntudwuma wɔ hɔ no na ɛbɛn sa de akɔyɛ security sɛm sɛ kwame ɛkɔs baabi na ɛsa ha adwene paa.
Chairman, baby, asam no kura vi ba.
Na yiri no, omo yiri no mi say na wo nya wa na si ba ko na because on na make for.
That's what I'm saying. Even with the constitution, it talks of custom and tradition. To offer the processes anymore. That's when you become a chief. And sana a bang number. But looking at this, the rejected person, you know, something Azoka. I don't want to go there, but I understand. I understand why government and MP. No. I understand why government and MP Azoka. No.
Debut government purchase say Azoka na necessary. Our tisono. One gazette a member of the National House of Chiefs and Upper East Region House of Chiefs. And to normal confirm a question for Frono. If he holds himself as the chief of Bokwa, police for Chino. In terms of they are trying to protect, as I can say,
the second person I'll find about you, you know.
No, the Mamma Semenya Dino.
That's a paragraph in every day.
Mekama, I didn't need it. Nipati as a nipanse. I don't know, coming in the background, you know, say, earlier this morning, that was yesterday morning, the Mamprusi faction of the protracted Boku conflict was at the palace of the overlord of Mamprugu, Nairi Na Bohugu. Mahama Abdullahi, the second for the enscriptment of New Boku Naba, despite the recognition of Naba Asigri Abugrago Azoka II by the government and the Upper East Regional House of Chiefs as a legitimate ruler of the area. The Nairi has since enscripted Sedu Abagri Kulugu. Kulugu is occupied in Edina. Mahama Denabai.
So the overlord of Bokuno and I say area
Mahama Denabai.
Or the
Sedu Abagri Kulugu.
I didn't know.
Yes, Kulugu. Then the call for them come here some more to Sasan. You immediately a national security threat.
Well, Chamu, the Bia Metanaka say, younger himful. I allow my politicians a wura woman. Younger himful. One allow my politicians a wura woman. I can't be any younger him some woman in I then Abanesa. Politician, baby, say, or can they be able to not take advantage of that? And they, Chamu Jedi say, Anka. The politician stay out and anka the traditional people a year one the anka menye say ababedu de bia ababedu ani ekwakofa or however because we know issues ekoso oboko we know so your best say painful enhwe how be o no wonhwe na wonka na enso ano enfenfio yenim sania boko we know the history.
The fear is
yes.
Now I call fire escalation but sania no kano and when I think say the one who has been skinned and gazetted you should make to come there make say me kai me kromu ahinsem sorry kwame I never wanna make Nakopanda Roma. I'm a man of many parts. I've been part of so many decisions and instances. They say Honorable Brian Champo was then National Security Minister at the presidency. Around 4 a.m., we woke up. Whilst I was holding other forts, he was also holding other forts. Around 10, 11, 12, deal done. And I remember I told him, you know, Sabi, onye daddy, let's allow him. What he can also do. Let's prepare another candidate. But the action was Yanko Swa or Hinfo. Yeah, but we were able to call ceasefire. Until we go through the processes and Skane, he's been gazetted, recognized by both Upper East Regional House of Chiefs and National House of Chiefs. Can you allow him space? Kwame now Kulugu so Kwame Kulugu so
anti Chairman, probably we don't know his side of the story. Everyone was a deliberate. So I think the right thing will be done. Na issues a whole lot of issues.
It will escalate.
Yes,
issues. And Kwame SHS placement no near omo ejagum release and omo chere say 20th mo he de Monday Jode ya nkoda no tutumika na omo ntisim enkoda extra so 100% emu 69% omo nchemu aduasian kron almost 70% ɛna ne yɛ release o mɛkyɛ sɛ 30% bi ɛwɔ kyerɛ ɔmo gusu yɛ ho adwuma ɛnti mɛde ka sɛ kwame ɛnyɛ bɛtɛ nkwadaa ne yɛgye ɔmo agum ti wontɔ wotɔbos na wontɔ wo nneɛma ne adede a ɛm sɛ 20th joda san nkwadaa no wɔn mo etisim ɛwɔ sukuu ahodoɔ edu ɔmo atum
chairman my starting Fiji yes so chamo onim system ɔman nneɛma yɛ wɔ schools nearby, I think that was yesterday on as a Tuesday, you know.
Yeah.
And we are expecting parents say on for just less than 1 week.
Oh yeah.
And my preparing now finding school on Monday.
Yeah, you are.
Chairman, some of these things I think say I know yet.
It's a munkwana.
Chamo, I feel you are in the middle of the month. I was assuming you can win. I guess we phone any sika. Bon. So I think say yes, it will be a woman 2 weeks preparation enough because they move crying and they have a
Kwame, I see say Ghana educational system no agro di wo no do so do. Ye mother actually dey go at operators no. On panyifo no mo ye you yenko 2 weeks 3 weeks track system blue green white no. O mabo mo bra nyina awie o. Mo bo mo bra nyina awie. Now ka say obi ote sebe me fa ne say makura ho. Me pass obi oyekuani na ne banche ba ko mienu. Afie no be bo banche na ya to. Na immediate was Monday ya ebi abofran kwa dey to Kumasi onim obi akra Kumasi ho no mo ana school no omo trust so hwe no wie antra mo kwa pick schools no enti obi wo na school no kra na emfama no ye yes fancy ye dey obi ato me school ananka manage am kwa school na onim ho na school na ne ma me awofuna nkasa nim ho na prospectus eba ba ye ne ma ba akomienu mi ensa bi ansa enti ne ma dika aka no yenhwe yie na ne yeyi ya amfa ye ma no daache angudi agro na ankwanko sei niema
kwa ma me kwa ha masu na mini komo na yemisa yenua David Agima yeboa one ekwa payment of education PR panisi ebodam frifie na yemisa nsa da roma important ma enhyehyɛ ni siesie edise yenua Agima na party kai mo achi
yenua
empono te say
me pacha obibia eboko na munse
Yakopon dum odasu kraye mu wadaroma kwa payment of yanyanti ese at the national level no you release SHS placement from where you stand as a PRO for the municipality no wadaroma SSC ben na maya model train san kwade anim ko yanyanti ese jode di enemy on the 20th they are to report one o director Marco Pro I see bibia the din ana manya information bi
yo yedi kan meda Akuman radio for ase say anopay wonga tonsa
ya best friend wagina yie na de bi asem from maybe o drive ana
me pa show me drive
how what bicycle so and where you free
hello pa show to me kan yie
emu ye na gina yie na yenti asem from maybe bofam say fan ana se bibia na gina yie ai kuku bi opa ai
nti ne di kan meda Akuman radio mpanyimfo ase sa no pay wonga timi atonsa from na masanso agina so achia Akuman radio atiefu nyina na sana udi kan no no kware indra and a Ghana Education Service ye release a placement system for the senior high schools na nka wodi mesre na nka mama information kakra about placement in the center ecosify
okay konim
mu fry tron social nyina for 2022 no wonga etiminya placement 547,329 na enumu no ebi mu wo ha wo qualify automatically say be place won and ebi nso wo ha esese won ankasa wo koye self placement nti wonga system no etimi place won based on one performance no 372,780 and a one so performance no school na wo choose ye no wonnya ise wankasa wo kɔ wo san ko choose school foforo no 165,619 na yaba Akwapim North has schools on social no 77 na emu 57 abang school and emu 20 and so private schools yehwe mufana ni nyina 2,214 emu 1,117 ye merima name 1097 nso mia na wɔtwerɛ no nyankopɔn adom results ne by ma ho akɔhwɛ nti ɛbasa na na ɛsɛ sɛ wɔkɔ check one placement and right FPS no. It is so far news you receiving is mo financial ni na wonga start check one placement. Na placement no se wo pese wutimi hu school aye de woto ya ye wo akwanya obefa so. Dey di kan obeba koto pin code. Na auto pin code na obe visit www.cssps.gov.gh. Na wabo index number. Ubo index number.
No hu hia tobi ase na e kan mako na o kan mako na obi ya na watimi atro
me pacho yo. Enti se ukoto pin code na uko ele internet cafe wo sa pin code ni bia uto ube visit www.cssps.gov.gh. Na obesity site na ubebo index number asheho na ubo index number asheho wia na fedi pin code na ewo na auto ni so wabo asheho unya entape e di school a uchusu ye no ebe mawo na ne wo ni se enubia na oyesa process ya obe check na wanye school
esra oba bia won em say dede na samba mu pa nti ebe yanka opposition hu ye na I think say there's this background noise bia yo I feel them say
yeah mbaja oti minkan ye
yeah
nti se na medi kanka no enye obia na okọ check ya yebe man school ni nti atisa ne se ebia na school na ochusu ye no ene ne modern mo no enhia nti ebasa yesanso ma sa onipa no akwanya se obetima fa school foforo nti eno ne friend is self placement nti eno no ebasa na obesan visit www.cssps.gov.gh. Now we click on self placement option. Or click here, or select region or select here, or select whether say or your day student and I say or your border. That is a residential preference. Now we say schools be brave. Now we choose school ni mu back. Now we choose programs opese oye na niema ya yepese ye de boa nema awofo hu han won ebini yenya call center number no ye 0302 987654 0302 987654 obi a owo oha obi a betimi afresa number sanso na obi nso wo ho na bibinti ontimi phone number ya yen regional offices na so ya set decks wo ho no mokwa oha obi a wo bia no obetimi akọ no ngaboa sanso na ye headquarters enso ya set center e wo Nat Hall Adabraka obi biara obenya problem bia no obetimi akọ na bi o mesanso by kwapim no fa ye headmasters there were 8 senior high schools anywhere inti as we speak now no headmasters together with the academic administration and domestic once one set one front decks obia ibe place you e wo school ni no good placement for one beba na what wafa admission process ni and run a say into so far they encounter difficulties pia enti so bisa bibi kakra efa placement system na ne wo honi
enti menoka say yembra akwapem nof Lester Monsaka no HSN kwadado se na eba yempotem ha.
Medasi bebre bio. Ne o muni se ansa na ye be hu mofra dodo wa reba ha no. Yese mofra na ye do won two schools e wa ha ni nyina akọ check one school ni nyina. Nti wo check you ya. What the bus school ni ma, the school will take records of all the new admission. Then we can compile all together and be able to give you a definite figure. Na esa se ndra ena wo fi aseni ntino muma ye America kra maybe by next week we should be able to get a list of those who were placed in the schools within Ekwapim North.
Enti empre no ye hwe nim sen kra no be ko check place mo bu kwa na onya kwanya emma ebia na tibia binti na wontimi manti eje se omunyina ko check na omko confirm ansa Monsaka sa data no
me pacho yo
na placement the fancy or the nkwadaa mienu gu kwapema no de mienu gu baako ne say C9 or the miense gu Manfi girls ne ade a yentimi nya sa basic information yen find just suppose to say on me ba no so bedroom number na ehwe nim nana because I think it will need we need that for certain preparations ana
mpaje no kware ne wo buni say answer na ye be placement no GS yamma school bia declare vacancy eno ye mo fra dodo a school ni to say obetima fa won for form 1 enti okwamanfo be declare ba Benkum C9 McGee's Mampon Presec latest technical we na be declare now we declare how we na yes we be the headquarters now based on the declared vacancy no mo Francois e choose sa school no so edoso because e bi choose fi Akwapem North e bi choose fi South e bi choose fi Accra all over Ghana until say we go check a placement now we have school or day one form up na school na who say they declare for example Ukwamen declare 600 vacancies okay 600 vacancies no mo fa hin na what do want to ho nti abofra bia obeba no oba na won agye details course ni residential status nti we be fa sa process ni mo ansa e yetimenya the total number of people placed there ne o mu say bi wo ha otimi chusu say bi o person okọ benkum na ye de na to benkum ebeba out no na bi a osisi se benkum ofi Kumasi why the day student in chese so ba no be high down me hu nsem bebre enti ene no wa try another option na bi a would not to different place na ekobasa na chese ha no we will be still waiting to have these number of people but nyanisa unless onipa na timi aba school ni ehu se o asamesi twusu ha ene ye de na beto ha na ye de ne buy no or day student ana say or border oba be science oba be agric oba be generalize in general mu de be sremo na mama ye America kra eso ni say placement no abofa bia na ese okọ check ni de no ohun ye education for no ye no we don't have a system ebe jam who baby a yeda bufani nyina to say pese hu a then it means that as you nya bofa bia index number near cut pin code masa mufani nyina before we will be able to do the ebe sem we brave na mama ye America kra mra hes and one academic won hye won dwumadi na say medam say
na yenia ye boy emisa se ne na oka na kwada bi ohwa na ne modern bonti suku a oye so pe no wanya eno no self placement otimi na ne ye na to ba bi a se ne ye kan bi a ofri atwemangwa bi agya ye na to Akwapem North obe behind dan bi onya de ni ade san kwada no kwanya se ne na wo chem no mo kwanya so mutimi eko for repost na say replacement
ne wo muni se akola bi anase owufu bi nya ohawa etisada
has been put on hold. Please wait. Your call has...
I think Nesaka Bibi was Naswaka Bibi, but I will try to get him. And Kwame, M say, "What you know? Can M say, Akwadano self placement? One can perceive him, you know."
Yeah, self placement. Jamo, how University be our annual to northern part of Ghana. Jamo,
I did require. Ojo, I want to say. Ayi obi ma maybe as also kotu computer na wona nimi enom so onye nipa o baby I didn't ba na to ni aros me kotu sa computer kona I think say kane no na you was have freedom no to choose a school of your choice and the ba na bia umpa well to me headmaster no say enkwa me sa na me na ba no ama headmasters no bebre no munuma no shada nyomu debio you go kaneno headmaster and sign check me ko to nuani ebe noa bocho the headmaster and admission yeah the computer the abaka krabi protocol krabi nikita no what we so ntimi sign check the brams on fanto pressure bon so aka krabi say the na mai enti I be obi
jena okwan pacho me bo jena say me tie papa ni ya say information we enko awofo no ho Osi, one in the casa, no, see with your opposite of fast akwenya iso, na oye announcement be. Which means an opayan as asem way, eba, inti media a balance up and up, my crew and name, me crew more pray for a medrin. What I say, any new woman we no more run to so pregnant, say, Abitasi, and Dukrum de ne yakwawi. And Kropon de ne koko ase. And a brew de ne so ye.
Why was a channel phone? Channel phone or camera or radio or TV.
And you know, no pay na some information, but information e ba no so no. Ehiama nkyerɛkyerɛ a emu ɛden. Intermediate maker.
Kwame kakwa bisansa nye bia ba ye na mo be no mo tu a wofo no se betimi aka san se Ghana fo bia benya Ghana fo ye egwam ayi ase asori ne ade ntanye bia no what have they done radio ne de kwanya kra mo anye bia mo announcement bi information centers ne ade
na ade na o chani ma mienu se ukona ukohwe na opese oba no uye ma no www.csSPS.gh no na index number na ba ne 1 na ukona wo mpa eno so de gov ne beka ho enti sem manko school papa na de o minimu na obi sa se centers na ebi ya adwuma na baby ebe kwa ko check
internet cafe de ne
go e adwuma na
kwa me say my baby o me print ne say o mo de ato mo internet cafe de ne kwa me internet do bia enti I was a little worried about anyway
enti say ofo no say onim saa ne ma nyina ya na say abofra no ebia next time no be ko school yen kasa de no mo ye na enyo eye papa na mo say ebeba yen fa na miensa and prepare for school na miensa 3 days ene ya wada o kire fie kwese meme dan kwese den ka ho kwese ndi obi abehome juada ene kwese dan so obi ani wo no mo obi bie ne store obi ani ho nti ne na make no
Thursday so they stood out abofano echo
school mo
back and forth ho eze ukoje prospectus na ukotuto
bu akra wori nya jena bisa papa na asem atwa nwa biaja from aha to atwa nwa biaja 8 hours journey and the abuti oh yeah abuti dey call na waba oh mama bi aka asem bi an share or platform say generation has failed woefully. I think say these are some of the things obi nka say enyo obi nka say enyo mu ade ne ba won toto ye no e won popo ye no eno na ye hwe ne ye pene poma sibre sabre.
One thing I'm surprised about PR some kind chemo bi say say nipa hin na wan to won aba the municipality in terms of schools are wonya and also unless we find this number no chemo yes system of education I don't know how is as you are aware the number of students at Bao municipality anymore because they will be under your care they will be under the care of the Ghana education equipment enough and if equipment of ye nim the number of people
Once kwa me utimi catch the number of schools I say 8
yes
8 no but accommodation 8 no classrooms here
you understand
ebet you afa what you say the your classroom be 6 6 no ebet you afa nipa say nipa say classroom 6 no ebet you afa nipa 400 then nipa 50,000 eba a PRO.
I think so, but I wouldn't blame him. The system of education system, no, na Aquaban is I maybe I never could 45 now. Okay, you sound 45 the school banks is Sunday school. But it's you know, that's 45 is Sunday school. And the rest say I think the period it's
period.
I think so. I will follow. Need to also speak their mind.
Yes,
just like my Mr. Fiakufu.
Yeah.
And the power Papa Simon or say Mensa or Ashanti Regional Minister, because we need the likes of the many likes of Sophia Kufu. If you can bond, no, they didn't. But as a former lawyer in a church and of an astute, I think she has a right to speak her mind. That's the beauty of democracy, which people are refusing to recognize. Nuchemoa, and I pay my mate Sophia Kufu as Akasa. I'm saying, I said, what you feel.
Oh, you see.
I say my generation has filled the younger generation every time. I see the generation, no. I'm a mobile dear no omedi abro papa na oma me insesi form na ye ne ya Ghana web na wo mama kind story now. Retired Chief Justice Sophia Kufu has opined that a generation has failed the current generation big time. She said in a wide-ranging interview with Accra-based station that they had inherited a lot of hope as children post-independence, but years on, they have failed to transfer that hope to the current generation. Asked the question, has your generation failed the younger generation? She said, oh, big time. We have. Look at where we are. What can I say? I think we have, especially the post-independence people, We grew up with so much hope in our hearts, but that hope, we couldn't sustain it in the heart of the next people. She stressed. As whether Ghana can mount a turnaround of its current leadership and development, and Sam Tugano.
Has been very disappointing. Has been very disappointing. And
I'm sorry now. Of course, I say we will have to turn it around. It's not a matter of we can we must. Don't ask me how. Ask whether she was disappointed in the current government. The former CJ said disappointment span all governments under the Fourth Republic Constitution. I've been disappointed with every single government we have had under this 1992 Constitution, because after all that we went through with the military and everything, and we centered the Constitution as a guiding principle. At least constitutionalism should have been what should have guided or guiding us. But we have eroded so many standards, principles. It is not only the MPP government. As far as I'm concerned, every government has failed us, she emphasized. So Yakubu has become topical in the last 2 weeks after she joined colleague pensioners, bondholders who have been picketing at the Ministry of Finance since February, demanding total exclusion from the domestic debt exchange program. Mrs. Akufu's involvement also saw her slam government handling of the program and the general economic situation of the country. She received heavy backlash via social media from the New Patriotic Party stalwart, Gabi Asare Otre Dakun. In a second appearance at the picket this week, she responded to Gabi's critique, among others, by referring to him as a nuisance who did not matter to her and her life. Meanwhile, government has closed the subscription window for the DDP, announcing an 85% of subscription rate. Minister of Finance, Kano Fraita, told picketing pensions on February 15 that their maturing coupons will be honored even though they had opted against signing up and instead exempted from the program. Ofrata is due to appear before Parliament to answer questions of the program on February 16 today to tell how she's going to work this out. Kwame, this is what it is. So if you're cool for
Chairman, Neniabri, and I think so I agree with her. Say she's not referring to this current government. Say one a feeling.
I mean, me one voice, me one voice in class, and you say you try to say Sabeka the voice, but Bridget Otu, one of our own, she's also a journalist. Also, I don't know so much. It's your voice in your Bridget. So kind.
Is that when Ken became Minister of Finance in 2017, I heard him on the TV. He was talking, and he was saying that he sees his responsibility as being that of protecting the national coffers. Now, the promise and the achievement, the gap is too big, and I need more explanation. I think that's it. You know, you'll be surprised. I normally take things, when it comes to a lot of things, I take things from their most simplified format. There's no need to be complex about all kinds of things. I'm not an economist, so I'm not going to be able to argue all kinds of isms and so on and so forth. No. But all I know is that you were going to protect the national coffers, and they are now empty. Whether they were empty at that time or not is neither here nor there, because you were not going to be protecting the empty thing. You were going to protect it and make sure that everything that comes into it henceforth is going to be well husbanded. I'm using that word in its old-fashioned term, you know, and so we would go on, and we will not, sort of reverse again. Yes. So it's been very disappointing. Mm-hmm.
How the economy has turned out.
Yes, and the fact is, whether it is Kenoforiata or if it was Mr.
It was Secretary before Foriata. Yes.
If it was somebody else, it would still have been the same. I would still feel the same. It's not, in public things, in things concerned with the Republic of Ghana, in things that are matters matters of public interest, I don't get personal. It's not personal.
Okay.
It's not Ken Ofori-Atta, the person who's been given the responsibility to manage the economy, I don't think has done a good job.
Okay.
That's it.
Should he be removed?
Hey, as for that one, I'm not his appointer. The person who appoints,
if we're asked to advise the president today, should he remove him?
I will ask him, why is he asking me? I think so. I think there are many areas where there has not been much to show for. And therefore, somebody else should be asked to try it. And then there are some ministries that also need to go back to their former partners, because there are some ministries which were split up. I was explaining to my daughter that when I was growing up, there was Ministry of Transport and Communication. That was just what came into my mind. And transport included air, land, sea, you name it. Anything that is transportational, that was transport and communication. I think they were, at that time, even in charge of roads for a bit before the split of roads and highways and so on and so forth. But now we've taken everything apart, and minister of this, minister of that, minister of that, deputy minister of this, deputy minister of that, and I think we've come to the point where it's quite evident that indeed too many cooks do spoil the broth, because each one thinks the other one is doing what they should be doing, or everybody is getting into the other person's way, and turf wars and so on and so forth.
What would be an ideal number?
Oh, I'm not going to even venture to suggest a number.
Kwame, the woman has earned my respect. You see, I always say Ghana Benya. I just pray you baby or MPP ni MPP nya utimika say I deal with dear me your party ni batenye. And this news special say me your end this things are dear me party enye the national interest where my me when you're from senior citizens and you're supposed to speak as it is. Udu baby udi no krenkwa no aduane. And when some work ya Kwame, ye tracing Kebenya Nana Kasa. Once a teacher chain or more administrator or something. Kufu House. He's been trying to get her to speak to us. Na you will say so you know Nunkrum or Kagum on Kabim. In a class of Quatian Manenke, Ekasa. Sama work Kwame. A been a present. I think say on a present, they are saying almost the same thing. Now, President Kasa will say, I can't continue to take the blame while you hide in the shadows. I go forward to state-owned institutions. Let me read that story. Our state President Nana Akufo-Addo is reported to have chastised the heads of state-owned institutions whose agencies are non-performing. According to a report by the Chronicle newspaper, the president said that he and his ministerial appointees are always blamed for the bad performance of the economy, while heads of state entities who are also responsible are overlooked. Akufo-Addo added that heads of state institutions can no longer hide when it comes to the performance of Ghana's economy. Board chairs, I quote, board chairs and entity heads have for a long time been overlooked when blame is being apportioned for the downturn in Ghana's economic fortunes, with the flack going largely to sector ministers and to Mr. President. You can no longer stay in the shadows while others receive the backlash for the national current problem. Quote, I unquote. I mean, President Zafede Wabre. Put the fruit side, I'm your board chairman or state owned one. Why? Oh, yeah, CEO, Namotona, Momote, China, many ministers, actually, I mean, when you know, doesn't show say the president knows the economy is in tatters and he's been held responsible for it, or then the ministers and some other people, even my me can say, Kwame, are they not saying the same thing?
Jaman, you are not saying the same thing.
Why?
Two different things. Mami starting fee the precedent. So, Yanshe Nisu Neba Neka Sebia Okain when he was then Nana Danko Akufo-Addo.
But another Kufa.
His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic.
Okata no Obama moko. Nana ibe kuchami fi. Na Mosifi. Christchurch.
Basu Mission Cemetery.
Sa time na woka.
Candidate Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
Niama kind for.
Una sa I move no Kobi. Uko din ba ko. Nana bo.
Basu Mission they say.
That's not him do ko afani ago. Pompires.
But it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Chairman, the caliber, the then candidate Akufo-Addo, it's more kind. Maybe incompetent administration.
That tag by former current vice president who trumpeted it.
$1, 2 cities. $1, 2 cities. Dokuno etuzi mutumi to. Mutumi to.
One constituency $1 million.
It is said dokuno etuzi ni mutumi to.
As at that time, national person.
Now who blame the president of the land as at that time? And they said dokuno you 4 cities, no 5 cities. Me blame here. Per what you said, you know, who should I blame? Niauka two meetings
different strokes, different people, different strokes.
Niauka two meetings said okuno etuzi me blame as messing. It's uba be 1 city. And they 4 cities.
And you know,
it's me blame here. Me go blame dokuno ran so no bo. And they do be me blame dokuno ran so no bo. But that time na dokuno akoro na bo na etuzi. One gas me go blame because you wanted to be a president. Not him alone. The vice president also. So you blame honorary ministers. Who blame them? Here they appointed those board of directors. No, it's not the president.
But chairman,
president. Internet say what is what?
Young point to be in
but it's about Ghana. And you sacked them. Yantiana PPA issue by street lights and one ceremony. By Chamo Yahweh. Crew and associates one some by you're a staff marvel. Yentena Aisha one or arrested then woko conference to America kokain. Say because of the relationship between Ghana and China, because you pay 3 billion loan if China won't you doing prosecuting no. Yentena won't to me a galamsey or they are contaminant say galamsey. Then you can president and about out work say why and the finance na enim. Meanwhile, video, audios, just a document upon document, just say a contaminant HM won't to me and they were mining and I said they are still mining a certain forest reserve.
Time check na I'm mining.
Jamo issue by 2 o'clock to 2 1 and San Beji we were Ghana. After that the president met Nakazu Shinzi. And they galamsey issue ekoso. A man for a bribe a man for near the young and I'll use the ANAS principle. Then candidate Akufo-Addo. When I come to power, I'll use the ANAS principle. Now the president and his government is
fighting what Pamela friend say no. Adubai Chazadubai no.
Chairman. Yantiana ANAS galamsey issue by Okofa or Young Akonta. Charles Bisu that then a secretary. Honorable Amadou
Kwayo.
Oh yeah, MP Akonta no.
Mo papa no. Union to.
Chairman, the same ANAS now principle no ekam President Amata Amekle. The onye hwe. Yantia and a PDF issue.
The committee was said. The committee says he's been cleared, not the president.
The president came out publicly said onye PDF issue. Yantia no be clear. Say Shinzi. Me wanna corrupt scandals upon scandals. We can count from 2017 by people.
I don't say
gold for oil scandal. You know.
Kwame, or say. And they subordinate ba mo de bono on can say onyin tumu and say
na yam am info
and say or chrom say omo pagya omo nya adwuma ni yie na ne omo masobo no e ba yenim I say Kwame dem say because of my minister did be me din and say nyame so mamu kra na minister dey Kwame onim obi pagya ne sa o so ma me say o ma me nkranfo onye say you know obi say o ma me say you know all I'm saying is everybody looks at those people at that helm of affairs, forgetting that certain people too. Opa just say many ministers are just so boy ne poetry and mtiabune sani men nyina be seen there. Ye bia Ghana Gas Company on CEO. Who be a Ghana Export Promotion Council CEO. Mumu nyama dwuma ye ene ye ade no meanwhile mo so me part of the sector ministry say enti opa just say Ghana for ya muntwanko fu kakra na nye kwa ni anyama ni
chairman we ba okay Ghana Maritime Authority issue about 2 bedroom house what about 13-year conditions wo papa no yi uniform no avana ko jiari Ono na why eboni no o success me ya modi but oye eboni na e ka no Miss Excellence na yi ni fi Ghana Maritime Authority I didn't call Ghana Revenue Authority o ta promote no 2-bedroom house about 13 air conditions I overspend Auditor's General Report by so they were mentioning government appointees near. What has the government even said? Now even the government is fighting the Auditor General. I ain't be a year ago for the Damu. I don't know one family man say try to intimidate you. So even if when you say it's
Kwame Usu no maritime you know. Now when you see car one done hotels them say now yes so classy. Na abana tobacco ni kra nan kan fa kakra Kwame say
13 air conditions in 2-bedroom house. And yes a story building.
Kwame 2 bedrooms na was steady ni man kitchen no me ade Kwame store room ni
air condition more toilet air condition more bathrooms ni air condition more garage air condition. Chamo build a story building kan family.
Kwame onija eja na oni.
Are government menye jam ni o or any personal money and can family ho. But now if government coffers mu we spoke about it. Obi say, oh yeah, street light training or training for the teachers and what fixes street light per head, not spending 10,000 Ghana cedis per unipa back street light training.
I mean, my trainer must certificate account. Yeah,
you certificate back 100 million.
Lights in Kikyo.
Street light am food donate back.
I'm electrocution. She now electrocution.
Per head, while first spend it. And when you blame those people, President Babeka said, I've cleared them. Look at the number of people his success are clear. Okay. Watch it, Kwame clear.
Yeah, unse the telling of the mama no kasa no. Unse yenu abanu bisa ne say enti yensesa no si ono enye ono na obe kasa yensesa no. It's the President Babeka we say mu te ho na menkwa na meje lashes na asamo kan no you come again. Who na appointing nipa no. And it's a war appointing nipa na se nipa no unso onya de a. What I say we need every one. Yeah, as simple as ABCD. Into what I say we know. Na mira me de bia meka amanfo no empanyfo no we ba obeye bi we ba aba beye bi. Oso what I say every tete nsem ni bia the nipa kosua se kan bicycle nipa kosua se ne bodondo ne atua kan ne ade ene na ye maame we kan emu asem say they failed the generation no na yampanso obisa say last paragraph no back last part one no as Ghana forever we will have to turn it around. It is not a matter of can we must. Don't ask me how, she added. Mbisa no oja omo no ministry ahodo e create ye obedu ministry back ministers deputy ministers say what can want say we minister ma criticize na mani nyina saloon kasa kase ya toto ye ba ye roto ai be ma esika ye twamu ni ade enti se ba bedu ha no mo a na o mampanyi bisa sa ne ma we enti ye kotwa roto mu no mampanyi wante wante na ka jonse roto ma esika enti bi a montwentwa so kakra ni ma bi bro ma no ma ye ana dia be je baby a ye gina yi omo a
ye ko Facebook page no so Henry Hayes or say Lisa Brown, Adolfo, Kwame. Where they want to call and Harry Hayes, good morning, Chelsea fans. Chelsea fans do
Henry is a teacher who of one say be a very young teacher or no more than bad. On go no doing no in Salmon, you know.
On the free in a free on a baby masquerade you know.
David.
I could be so for a Bremen Pottermore.
Okay. And any atta. Okay. But we are fine. Say I be fine gentleman.
Okay.
In doing someone.
Okay, that's fine. Then Jensha, if I'm from you, be and from your favor confirm now.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Rocket.
Yo, me just so the boy back in Jumapa, Ubo my captain not. Nyami sure be the need Jumapa or Ubo. Nyami sure you don't know when you in some of the never be the higher.
Nabama edition on the show, my main now. Now, me more Mabaso of Okuma Radio.
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio.
paper, my water, yo.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Propose ya do bro. Promise me to be a moti. Upper free one of cry. So my paper, my water, yo.
Okuma Radio.
Funny say ya widow. Kono sansa sao. Cruda, could be ya going to for. So my paper, my water, yo.
Nabama editor no me so ma me na wase na me mo ma baso.
The official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio. Official party station for 2023 and beyond.
Chief Inspector, Grace of Money, what's the offer say here with that? Paper, my water, yo. Jimmy Bonum Bremo, a piano big yes. Like this sound of beer. If you dance in the bed, yes, well. Sister Yabua, Sister Nive, yes, Yamasia. I want some yoga, the vida, baby.
All right, 21 minutes after 9. DL, that alone by causes one and chacha one of it. The lyrics and composition way a Bodo Steigansano. Our life made in Germany. And your papa didn't say though, and your papa they be a friend of Green Tunes. I born in a Bobon Crufuduma, I fear big girl, Jesu. Just see, the beer, the cousin, you be just why. Come here, dear. A simple mini. I wouldn't have my fast guy. Oh, yeah, man.
If you dance in the bed, guess what? Sister Yabua, Sister Lise, yes, Yamesi. I'm
the person I'm not got any. I was Yamesi. I big girl. I was not. I got an idea come about.
What I saw to any.
Many needed. I got a job.
I think Agnes Nagata and Bessie no marry no more. Come for real comfort.
I said, bro, for more must sound. What's the first cousin vagabond? Say, what's vagabond? We are vagabond. We were here to say, Papa, who's the I, Manana Bessie, I say, Manana said, I say, Mamano, I say. Oh, but now I'll tell you, so mobile honey.
I could be to me bloody fool.
Madame Sosidi.
I said, my man, hey, but I said, Kofi, my man warning and in some years was my man will not of Benjamin. Of Benjamin. I just actually friend I said, because you come by book a crowd. Oh, my man is some pipe on pipe on. My man warning, so that's what some pipe on Benjamin. That's a whole man. I said, I mean, what did you say, Sada? The boy, the walk Pajaka crowd, you mean by now? I read.
Me web was kind of crack or Toby. Because the winner now share a
as a silk codino.
You know, she white. On the Sajan Kotokum, and what China. When by the aqua, the picture and the cocoto, Saturday black and white in Unya colored into the bad TV and water. Now, Aja, watch will be big a crana or the court. Now they are coaches.
When I'm a pen,
Yes,
Messi, be him that. We put for your power. If I'm at me, madam, some tuga. Santu on Tari.
Yes, that is the beer. If he doesn't even
and I pay Mr. J contract here, boy. Mosaso Jumini and the pay the mouth. Jagabi. Was it was some. And I pay you may be ensign comma in Sleeping Mike Jenfi and a jedu or more a him broom. And I pay you the Jumi and I pay young common as well. Come here, come on as well, Bana, Abertoaso. Papa, your friend, Quesi Quatin or no a year. Oh, and a Sakosa rather. And a payanya, you're right, and a Sakosa, Deputy Piero Edema, Minister of Education, and a payasa can school placement, and also Emeto. Kani ngutu kakame. Aja kusa.
Wini abeba.
Agra yamoachi.
Beja usu wini abeba.
Empono. Empo mi yedie.
Nyami adok bako.
Eho yedie ete wakasa ni ajisa sa ube nchiremu. Anapa ya achise school placement no maka gumse 20th. Jode edie ni minkodani nko suku. Wadaroma emu nchiremu ni zei.
Well, madam was an opportunity to do more for the case. So I am part to say the okay, 20th. That was the official data. GSD by say Bema offers and a man me up 50 into a school no. And run nations and store say local school and a local school you know you buy the expectation Corano our phone they at least now anyone home the work on my team aqua 50 I'm not so don't man be school. So that is the development now.
Kafra, it was Wajumano. Na Senkwadano and caught to say 20th na. Bet Mako and Nebi a Pemu and I said, and you came to me, and I said 20th.
I was given two official dates 20th and 27th. If free and now copy 20th and idea, Umbrako school, via correct was corrections, also a year on age, so form no cooperating out, you know, Tenasako, you know. The chair pass a bifty school from 27th of this month, 27th.
Come 27 years, I mean. United say, and then Quadando do send a major Magum, yet to say almost 69%, almost 70%. Over my statistics, no.
Well, set figures now, there were 539. 539,399. Amunina, yeah, place home, and also call for a place home. Now, placement and also 2 sessions. Yeah, well, Nipa 352,000. So 376,2,880. First time I'm driving, I'm making it.
Matthias.
Tisa for no or more what automatic placement. Automatic placement in India, no. Here, say, will be my son, some manual and be and they are placed on straight away. So we're called checking schools. And you want 165,601. Over the machine and to be a place, and almost selection over here, no, Bill Hart, no, I'm holding it in the schools in the Bill Hart. So the way I developed the system, one caster never be out and couldn't coach you. So, cost system, no, sir, that's a coca fee. It will be a pot and amount. What's my selection?
Ente Sanya wo kanono your friend is saying Quadano free suggest na say okwa aduane de on fa bi ko eno e den de na some de ko.
Well, for now, no there. We go through orientation. I say registration process in India. School no. Instead of official date in the other. So I can't go board. So we my boarding status now. You more days to the day they say. I was was the Indiana. Which I say. And no one will be a part of it. Uniforms near the United so no. And when we are now, baby, can I tell I will say, Brano Kwa, Munin, Abitini, appear.
And now, all conferences now, uniform count.
Oh, uniform. You have more uniform. If you have how you sue, me and son now training in a bank providing in a.
Now, yeah, there's a, and to say, in the actual school, and also about the man school in the near Okwaya school will be a great as a school.
As a house dresser, so yeah, I provide him. Abandoned in
but I yanti be some quay below Momutia. Yanti be say, Omsam Chronicle below Momutia.
What if you're high night delay in general? Yeah, school no authority because you have more options. Say, so say, we just been to me. After to go hard and say, no, sometimes you won't make that open statement, you know. But they are allowed.
Not baby, I would say, Deputy Pierre here, and you be uncle Diamonds or Munko Jode, or uniforms, no, we are Matodico.
Well, I don't have any information from the procurement department. And so when I know somewhere, you know, I can't speak to that for now.
And for now, no just say, na me be a bit my church and uncle Bissan say, and you can offer one nan and more broom or corner or copper uniform or connection say a delay to talk and I could be to her.
System say, Saturday, of course, we have a copy a week or two. It's Suria and Sunday, a copper bill. Hey, we did we go to a below phone by the Kusua. Now, I have several from. It's a slim crowd so waiting a couple. Yeah, I did a rush to say, the way provide this animal.
And yeah, baby, sad timeline. A be a senior working, could I know 20th? Now,
Minister make that open statement. If a son can Corano, can uniform with Drew and Sakran and Cometini, Aqua Drew. I don't know. Should be Aqua Drew for now.
Now, could I equate now? You say, and you are the same near the Minia, Ebecano cry. You are the same acquire near maybe or hobby. And you are the same on Yadibiko.
Oh, there is something there. A buffer stock, and working hand in hand with the Presidential Secretariat. So I think they can speak to that.
I think it's about fast talk to be quiet. Nina for land education. Then keep saying, Biano, money the chase about fast talk for the course and say about critical education.
Also, information we talking about the placement and to the issues now, making up and I say matters arising from the placement. And then they come back the effect the animal there. Be in a subsequent, you know, friend,
oh yeah, you be from Yakopo Boachana say a chefy near beside you be under my sons and Kodayko 20 fee, Omunu and the same uniform near Deno, and see what can you be mamma need you na Yasamba nearby Bepe and Humway.
Okay,
and I pay your bed that's it na Yabasa baby embrace him.
So that's opportunity.
Guamdaco.
Can say, a mano, Dutch, no, and I had to grow at a preno and no.
One of my Miss Sophia Kufu,
I wouldn't say a penny back one day. It's a never bought factories, not Ghana near the no, or say, or get to me say, on it, Mammy Sophia Kufu. Or bought near ma, or more. I
didn't say. I'll say it's hard to believe that several decades ago we had the following. Ghana had two factories which were producing sugar at Asuchari in the eastern region, commanding the central region. Ghana had a factory which was producing car ties at Bonsa, Bonsa ties, and the Firestone. And Ghana had a factory which was producing canned beef in Bogatanga, Ghana meat factory. No, Ghana was producing canned tomato paste in Palugu and Navrongo. Ghana had factories producing Teslas at Kosombo, Japan, and Tema. 5 among others. Ghana was producing matches at Kade. And then Ghana was producing DDT at Abuakwa in Kumasi.
ɛyɛ me on sɛ ɔde ba na ma screenshot sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɛnyɛ wo nti na ba ebi wɔ ha bebree na wɔ ha bebree na wɔ ha
na me kura na mehwɛ sɛ ayi na o na no kura me kan beef na ɔmo yɛ wɔ ayi no burger no ma chon voter na friend no voter can beef and the Black Star in down. Ghana was producing DDT at Boakwa in Kumasi. Ghana had a jute factory in Kumasi producing sacks for cocoa. Ghana was assembling radios, TVs, and fridges branded as a Casanoma and Sanyo. Ghana was producing jam and fruit drinks at some country at Nsawam. Ghana was producing glass at Aboso in the Western region. Ghana had a factory producing breakable plates, tiles, WCs, and glassware in Salt Pond ceramics near the Fantiman Girls' School. Ghana had citrus factories, poultry factories, and the rest. Ghana had its own aircraft, DC-10, VC-10 Boeing, and cargo passenger ships, 22 Black Star Line vessels. Remember that I haven't talked about cocoa, bauxite, manganese, timber, gold, diamond, salt, and rich arable land. Now, Ghana had discovered oil in large and commercial quantities. Many mineral resources in commercial quantities remain unexploited. Before the revolution, many Ghanaians were employed in Public Works Department, PWD, State Construction Corporation, SCC, State Housing Corporation, SHC, AESC, Ghana Food Distribution Corporation, Meat Marketing Board, Produce Buying Division, PDB, GIHOC, Parks and Gardens, Ghana Food Distribution Corporation, Meat Marketing Board, and Omnibus Services, Omnibus. You kind of and what kind of Sunisu, Mama.
Yeah, or the bar number screenshot it. Once or COT, the bar,
Ghana is.
I said, and there's a airdrop. We're going to draw a bill. A jump. Oh, yeah.
My room cried.
What was
it? Fistroba can femono, the dear grow. And now, Osha, Danuna, yes, a man penny for they are very young, vibrant, almost near my Osha India, a baby memo, Unipa Bacompet, and I under 40 Bacompet. And under 14, the name of you Sabi, a cake, Nema,
and near vagabond, venture.
I dare you. You don't know, my word is my bond.
When him now,
now we are the overboard. My word is my bond.
I mean, you go engagement of a father, also, ja. Was they should decorum here, decorum. Hey, yes. The word, bro.
I say, shut up.
On compose you on kind of compulsory. Compulsory.
I say, shut up. Don't talk again. You don't know me.
My word is my bond.
My word is my bond. We are there. It's just Fisura can family. Just a baby, a dear do no, a bad thing. Oh, and Rana, a software coffee drew. Now, o preachy. Me pesa ba na mo say o baby aba be do sesi ano o baby o cassette ya Rollins ne ma me ne papa ne di na bro o say o baby aba be do sesi ai o panye o so for Kofi Dro o say o baby o cassette ya Rollins se ne ma mu e de ne yam se no ne ma me ne papa ne di na bro because baby aba do sesi ano ene ma man panyin da Rollins sorry ya na so there bi enti bi senga ma me Gloria Kufu or ni yeah Sofia Kufu sanka or one van 40s and we are go between jina kwase monto me swaba na me president na me because ni omo kekai enya no kromo high and panso eja no credit ba akope unse na o ka say esi nya mema what you say na oman yi mu baby akodu no omatumi asore agina omo na so aka no kre isi aka no kre na otan aba ba wo hwe ne ekono a se school pa kwa me school pa ni ma mienu na ma oman agina school ene ayarehwe yenhwe school yenhwe ayaresa Dano yenura health minister obaka say voter region omuntumi nya sika kura nti national health we ama break down all hono yeah enti nima mienu na ma oman ye oman ayarehwe ene eye school is ya ni mienu nyina no ene edafem no I'll protect the national pest ene ma me pest yeah what I say
mokola
so enti baby aba be do no eno ni yeah, baby, I do need no cranny. I mean,
yeah, mommy, so for one thing I can say, you should be protected. The pet means
not be
yeah, so be protected. So and now you used to say, Sikai then as our man, it means it's kind of a person, why then? What did
Kwame mienti eyi kakra. Okay, you mean? I'm okay, you mean? Okay. Bella, okay.
Make hyper.
Me was school no maybe na me person me join kwa kakra.
Win by you kwa na.
Then be school kwa and kwa me call heads I me anyway no. Na me say base na meet me abo. Oye na. Na o ya long man na mo akogina chire na wo bogum. Oye. Meka. Wa ba kwa da.
Abi nko kwa da ma to nyumba.
Na wo so wa to jum kakra.
Me go so kra to.
Around here where?
Oh, Jomo say GHS now me join kwa o. I'm not busy now.
Me cross sorry not to do say oh yeah. Adonya mi yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Mayem bom kasa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Me cross sorry not to do say oh yeah.
Because any I don't need a camera for mum. And if I make a say star 787 hash no and you go so a bon the row and your car say near because we are I star 77 no kagum.
I was for Sikano Yamma say Yamma Enra Salo Ebeje ne dear Salo Beje ne Nigeria and run as a kunya say Pijaga class say on your children's service. Was so papa mina me catch na zigide ni mfoni ni ade nyina be ma enye children service na sesi no gena no kwasem na aba ne say ye say woman protection ye na mo bitimi twisi wanim na fe de du sika so no mo kan kire me ubi ono bia frɛ me endra me wo cheche me enfra me na fe de edu sika so no me frɛ hotel ba ko e wase hey baby adam
height another
baby heti home omudi text message ba e and I feel glad the money to hold and I'm saying pa mo 20 pa mo chewa naja omudi tu
kwa me yes in so beto a na from edikan
yeah
onkoma kwa nto me and the pabebre ne be kagum say star 787 hash omada roma kwame mobile phones niema hodo a wonom de ba no na omde abema ya tifo no wanti okuma dia na ne wa ha ho ne ubenya mobile phone now dia star 77 hash na wa option 1 na ne ma de kwame mami I details no
yeah ne wo mu ane say Bible no kra dia to say nipa bro nyina obrema na no o say nipa bro nyina Ecclesiastes chapter 6 verse number 7 o say nipa bro sori anopa ko dwasu ko ade nyina no ebrema ya no na we die ababetum ne ba ne say star 787 hash star 787 hash o phone no o peja eno ana be yaso ubia na je say eno ano no na ebema option what you say ba ko no e kire say ete say one kasa no o select ba ko mienu miensa ba ko no na je say one kasa no wo be disika no enesa na fi wo yisika wo de beto wo beto eye phone na say ade nyina atua konka enyo no de nya children service o e de we collect for we na baby. Eti over Sanoa. Now fi anopatutu no twa anopatutu no early bird no. And here 10,000 Ghana cedis anopatutu body 10,000. And I feel a numerous no uti ya between ya 10,000 na fe 20,000 and I feel jackpot na nkasa no hotel no and here 7 billion and here titisika no 7 billion ubedi enti we die ye nyina fa ya ho anyim na no kwasem wo me se woni mfisha no du wotwe a untumi nya bi ma ne ye ha na fe ne se wo ye se o mobile phone so we register momo no e wankasa wo de sense no so ana obegina wo de be di sa agree se sika no de ya che Adano ya church for 100 cedi 1,000 ne che ohano mo de man microphone bezesa at the kwandi nyina de ho agim tie number no obiso ye agent ya number na so be free e de am 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 I don't know that's open agent man na fe so betumi say e wan asem bia what's up hono mo betumi akọ hono ko hwe nsem na egu ni bibia kama 0272 636 448 star 787 hash star 787 hash obeye sikani sabria anopetututututututu na sade nyina atum ade ama
kwa me na se arapai yemfa
ojanza kanwum no
dia we na kai
nyumba
DJ say on saka nyumbi
okay DJ DJ
happy birthday to our friend and brother John McFadden, very hardworking guy I should say on penny ho asem but meeting no Kobe no secretary
meeting
McFadden arapai yemo ache ye chao Yakobo ka ho na meet on the secretary
meeting one more organizing YouTube omunyintum no munya nsem on kankan
Mark na secretary
omunya meet no munyintum
that's so man
yes madam go that say katum
it's Mastic Music
Okuma Radio 97.1
so the ten and beba mana ode oto anada na
you know wait my abua
over there Uba to and the photo to asema e pa cho
utie nyum na hunse na yeri bro I know me auto no on
Leave your
And you mean what's a special request me for Mano? Comrade Kofi Afulano, good morning once again to you. Special dedication to you, Chairman. We are Chairman. I said, me find me man, you mean any day. I was having pen drive, so I bought the can more beer speakers.
Okay.
Comrade Kofi
Afulano. So I could be, sir, former president, Mama, so I could be so by. So, young Araya, Sassini out on my China for.
I
don't wear buffon in MICG.
But I like the creative, the way you say Ghana, you can never be bored in Ghana. Bibiaba, there's the lighter part of it. I be funny, be na. Maybe I can say, Nyankopon man in Prime Ghana, dear Kwame. Tokwa pa, then Tokwa, and now my bet to look Mama Hay. Fancy baby, I'm doing many cacradie, but I don't just say coconut, a for them could do many minutes. Mom would do many and cray. Do a very near to me. If I be dating, oh, was him about no commentary. Oh, Egypt tonight. Your commentary near Bono near Boo Place, no, your commentary. Obi Manzo. Obi Manzo, yeah, I said, Kwame. Oh, when I can say, baby, me fear near Jumum. And I said, number na ya na se me tell me crew man ye. And I been kwa na. Can be. Juma no. Maybe my miss some ye.
Juma no.
Kwame. Then bia me ka se ye ti so bi okwa pinia. Ye crew mu ye need ke sepa ma sa ni pan titu. Ye so fe kropon dia. And ye na yes referee akunya so am na transfer ani sa. Ebe nya se me no betre no mo ntwo mo ni ye ni musuni bi wa Kwame. I say I can say, what's it? Where is my bond? Where is your bond? Come in. No man, no bad obey. Meroka say, Sima called them Namsu. Sima. Why, what am Sima? Call them Namsu. Now, a cropan of the baby. I had no DBD. I had no DBD. Sima.
Na, so Nipan, no bonyo.
Yes, Orlando.
But the
creative, the way the beats, instrumentation, words, and how easy he rhymes with the chorus. I don't know. I mean, it's funny though, but it all speaks volumes, and people shouldn't take it personal. I think maybe I'm quite a famous answer. Mampeni ebedi agwana nsem bi okana obi afade aye dwom kama kwame tokwa nim no qualms no fight bedi kan na se ye di bi yesre kwame anya se be ne de
obi na kana se Nyankopon na nya na wachima to Ghana
oh
yes
Ghana kwame sento kwapa se me betena ha na akwapenfu boy ho bibi kura to na meso ada bi mepene sana ene yeso kakra ko fu kakra wa hai yeso ye ne mo abomu a yeto kese kama obi ba ware obi be jese a long process se me kan se mabusuanfo bi wo Reverend David Asante ni fi ho on betina ko na on papa ko ni ye no metena kama me ba bia me kosra wo msi Janet wakam ni nuane oge ami wo hoi enti na ne baba ko Japan menisia amono krom ni edin komo kama ba ko cha dey school for the blind ha na enti you can imagine Fabino
Ghana nkwana Muslim na wawari Christian Muslim Christian etifi ba ko mu Ghana nkwana is hard na wo
you bond
anu ya den asem serious when you asem serious no no be afadi dia go when you asem serious no be antino za okọ ye den
kwame no na ka ye be bo yokuma tanka se gumu wo Osanbrom and my yes style be but next week because Osanbrom honorable assembly member for Osanbrom honorable Kofi Bampo Kofi emi nua no madam for prekope obono mbodi bebre na ajana e wo Osanbrom no ho nsema ba matu na me matu na akɔhwe ye papa contractor ye adwuma no
papa
Abrantie.
Yeah, papa, Abrantie.
Abrantie. Ni dina kasa yede.
Dina kasa Abrantie na.
Abrantie. Anyway, on the yes project no. They may say be Cuba Ben no near na kasa. As I say and tia nya any say old man ho no and them say the ma say new facility and them say it just a white a pie. Ama si new no na assign so eyinka no. Sebi ni party potem ho ebi fie ben ho. And the boy can sebi obinya typhoid that they say sebi odibini thank you and then no yan twen ma sebi ajana ne ko bi fi nkoko kotetie ma omo de be ko fi akotetie ho na bibia to fom na kwada bia fashion no ye ni ama won sama wakofa typhoid aba 30 sa typhoid sa ne pa and ehwane pampan no kwa me ni pa ni ahodeni enti ye be say contract o ye adwuma no and manim ya onko site na emna me shese nsabeka works department name sasa nya bia any assembly member sa how no kwamben any fast next week e be aduma ho bia na be do next week no na onmo tumika akoye sanse ne komoja ne omi oda da bra so ma me awo no so uni ani so ne abukra ne wo ye so ne dugo ne wo ye kwabe we so ma me awo se mi nu ani na o se mi nu ani enti e se da ma bia be do ho no na siesie koso no e che se onmo ni die che omo ye kwame minimum to say how you train so who say a make
yes chairman my own baby I can public toilet now and I think say many honorable I have a discussion on that and then someone can say chairman challenges and also on say wo Jessica wo sika na wo assembly no ba be Jessica ni for ma ono assembly man wo on can the paper man assembly man ni no the akọ assembly no one man quota say na bia maintenance na ade no na be but wo ba beje no kwa or expect say maintenance no so wo ba be and he has written to the assembly on this one several times say I don't know kwa yentwe because I am intina eba no yentwe na fi yensiesie no yensiesie no then they can use it but as several times months still na response be here and as an assemblyman all resources
say and the boy, and I want to now say a bind my politicians. But unim, I inform my politicians quite almost zonal council or be down to the chairman. If it's not functioning, chrones work upon a year or he been a bet now, not a tree, and not a biabatuno. Until they will not do it. If it holds on media minimo micromede, oba ye wo abene, one night or my hene a kumanisi. Na isi oman hene ne ya marmani amani 40 days obe okwa hene a abene ne hene bio enti e wo konti hene onna ya bene hene a o administer abene nsem no de akodan oman hene no man hene with the call picture the bigger one for that matter I have minute ntina krom oman hene abene hene no enti ye wo okwa hene ne ye wo abene konti hene ya ohwe administer affairs na bene minim say na ti wo kropon de and yes sir okwa hene is looking at the bigger picture, the bigger challenge, the bigger focus. A be a nasa continue or administer chronoa. It's about time they sit with the assembly. And yet, me pese me ye gudu, me pese kase dem in person, me dem me kase ye, me dem ye boko. Do baby akwame, you take it by force. Let them know say the facility can sit here. Yes, emergency can go. A true maintenance. Na mu delay. Sebi ya tima mu phone ya this year no. Ombenya ya de ewu. How much am I saying? It's a assembly member pima. Whoever is in charge of a group, same way now drew Nkwa hold for so drew Manfia. And that's a cool. Oh yeah, is it just hine? Is that no? Oh yeah, Chidom hine. But he's still the chief and he's able to administer. But over here we have Okwape hine sitting here, and he has other people supporting. Immediately, those who are responsible for group should come in and support the assembly member. Also, they acquire you one. And that's what pan a unigu. Nkoko tietem, preko tietem, mponchi tietem, nipe tietem. Kwa much as in one says so. So began a situation. One says so. Better because it will be so. But me dey family home. Ubedru. Abuasa no dey kosi bibi so abuasa dada o. Ubedru that no to dru. Ayi Mandela Junction kwa me. Na o dey kosi so. So enti e best say sanema we munya ne me say transfer ho. Enya nikade enya dey say transfer ho kra. Enti enmanim ya no omohwe na omne contractor we dey microphone nyese ko hwe na yebebre abrantie yehuna ye nekasa I think say some of these things they can resolve it immediately. Na aye man so a one more metri. What am I saying?
I think say baako bi a da no woma etu ho na monko ye no mpanyifo atena so pa serious jukum de na call quarters wo no wata so pa da no meeting bi e course no ebeto dwa papa assemblyman no ebe kan na asem mu de man mpanyifo se yanka no bono so na obecheche ne nsem mu se ne akomanfo eba ho na mpanyifo nyina afre no ne ade na so mu pep masibre enimanim ya I think say
a broody masleti odi. That was why I mean honorable Okube Adam for. I think we had a heated argument and in the end we realized we need to work together and then we do what complain be must say expel it and answer be yin can be and be according to once there be ameka say kwam that times are ubi even water closet na umia pam na air flash ya thought that we am show sadi papa a friend no Sadiq Abubakar. I think there's one man. Former water and housing minister under President Kufuor. This man vie for MP Kra or I'm saying Madinero sometime. I wish I could get his name. You see, Kwame, what's it for? Do baby not flash ya. Now we are much to say so. Portable water na they flash sebia jana na me no mo mia na nya bia no mana because pipe na ya treat na abafie ne bia ne ko water closet ni na ya dia flash jana abra bia me nua bi wo baby a onya portable water no. That's a guilt some of us we carry sometimes. That's a guilt we carry sometimes. Wow. And say ko ba say Nemanum say cost na nipa nitima na sabi nipa tese odidi die ke obejana nai and if we list all this is hanging out then ebina my miss of Yakufuka there is a disappointment. It's a very big disappointment in the service of our people. The Honorable Kofi Bampo, we reach out to you to have your side of the story and then we get to the contractor and the assembly as well. I was trying to get to MC. I think he's engaged elsewhere and we'll be reverting back when it's free. And if you look at it, next week Okuma Tankers ejina ho
na me say quarters for so de omo agim and ma adwuma say progressive steadily nti be ya omo etim potem ho no anu so no omo homoden ana omo so omo fam ho ngim kakra omo de ho gim a ebia we betumi aboa cement baako abo kakra ne ade a na je say ne ese omo de na
na me kwa ekra no omo de abo quarry I stones be go ho nwie go ho me kwaya ko gina anim na the stench over the hwane pampa no na kwa me microphone so ho a some do mo integral kwa me say ko be fa mo ko ede o mu gina mu de you ginam
na no enu anwumre no me unsa na omo ya announcement bi say our manfo nyina mra no ntumi nsiesie ho na adwuma bi atwa se wo hyase na wo ye no wotumi ye nti no anope de mi gidi se
adwuma ekoso ya baba odi ade ne akodi ne wo ma fe methodist one so ati na methodist for so kwame
methodist nyame ya adomo a ye call meeting no me de tudwa se ne aba ene se school a ewo manfe Latter Junction no emisa asem kakra ba ho enti da no ye osofo ba ko ne kire wo pred na wo say with immediate effect no sa eko enti ese eko bishop isi ano Koforidua bishop anim na beko ba educational directorate no eso ebe transfer ye ma me ba ko adwuma bedu one madam adwuma bedu anim na kokodu sisi a obetu ho na mo enti ye hwe say by the close of next week no na omotimi aka bibi na ye ka kire school for na wo manfi Methodist ni akokodu no
okay wonderful
na you know ba ko nso say ya kan wo mutie ya kan wo mutie enye se bi ushi obi na waka na motia na asem ba ya na so kra no da bi enye asem bi na be ba mo na so enye bibia na bi kokuru dia ba mo na so say tell bia ya fa ne adi yanka unze Bible no kra kan the kingdom of God suffered violence and the violence man take it by force enye bibia ne be ba mo na so na we Methodist ni ya class ma wo kabi no meka
emretintin say ni wo be yanka wo nye ye be ba wo nchen asem kro na be ka kire no na aka na no yemra ka sugar coated west nsem bia eye cushion pop you see bibini We need to be responsible and take responsibility. My penny, I respected him. Or say, what to honor the BIA woman, she come and name ministers near the other. It means that he knows that he's the one in charge, and good or bad, it is him. People should be responsible. People should own up. On the space, own up. Hey, I must take the blame. When it's good, I take the shine. But ideally, we share together with my team. They can't me defending my project work. Lecturer, the committee also, you are saying we. You are who did the work. And so, the way I work, I always want to bring my team spirit and bring my team up. So I always say we achieved, we did. That has been the language that I speak. It should be a certain team where people should be responsible for the good and the bad. Yes.
Yeah. And correct. And Mira, as I said, by no report on it, never be brave about. What would you do? Quarters and we see one. Says is here. You see, I'm on 2 war and found. What I say about Chrome engineer go by. I'm on 2 war and found no more increase a horn a fee. No, CBA 2,000. Mon fan could be 6,000. And what was 6,000? No, now about. I can't get you off. Or come my tank as the other day, sir. Semina, but here can't seem be a sabby and yen bonimo. So what I say, and yen bonimo say school about Kuya. Never watch you and once and buy. So now I'm going to provide you a generator. Now I'm providing a marketing to be so Okuma in Korea and I'm a young say generator or down on the intino symbol on I can and yen a bonus swap. And yen a bonus swap crack.
Yes, sorry, sweet Nami Kai said Chanyakopon, but there's a story, breaking story with the church now. Or say ban nurses from using phones during working hours. And it's something we will go around and get our voice pops. Talk to some of the nurses and all that. Meaning, maybe even hotels. When you're Roma or Diana or the bag no phones, you leave it there. Oko Loma Vista, almost table where you student tell you leave your phones there, no matter how expensive it is. Put it there and then you enter. And to work on an SNE, Makotubi. And I'm sure tomorrow this is a very babbling story we will follow tomorrow. Yeah.
That's it. I'll make baby girls nurses.
It's something that is something we need to pay attention to. And a bus strike increment mujinam. Now make us the crop of health workers the sympathy is not there. Kwame.
Me say one nansen ya fifa won me insuro me nka metumi aka say enye say wo adwuma ne ho passion bi but akoye say omo yesika obenya yes obenya ntina oye esan say me mako hu bi pa nurse ni bi obi yare a ye fresh yemfa wheelchair no emra mefa no chese why ye busy ekuta phone so hwe a onipa no ewu.
It happens mako hu bi and me kai say bibia me ba penny no O'Brien. Now, I could do a hospital. Be a we could answer me Zanko near my abortion. I could you have insurance with you. Took a coffee and Ben and Bed as you will. The Boko no names opening. No penny band, no penny bar. One agent. Imagine me banquano. Kwame Mano is said in Banco Theatre. Mano is said, Nakwa, could not say. No penny banqua, no penny bar. One anywhere.
Yeah, before the no question. Our brother by brain phone see, well, not or no issue back on Ketuabi, Nayandi. But I think the bit me, I do say, a menacing from one. Because Oko at the pound for the hairdresser for almost serious, no, or man for phone, Majuma. Apprentice phone, yeah.
If one will boo petrol, cry, who's so craphone.
And the crowd says to me, anyway, tomorrow we will develop a development story. Tomorrow we'll be following up on it. Let's say a big thank you to our production team headed by Belinda Opong, and also a very big thank you to Ziggy Oda Kutukuniba. Or say Tibia or Kukutuku or Koda. Na Kwame Mohen Nimum say on Tom Review ha.
No. Okay.
Or Kowa Wiki Bina with your coffee ache. I know Papa Bia, Kwame, Costi and Adam for within a nom that single room. Times of Bans or Dowatis will be Sandam, no Fusin Kunuaja, Uncle Emma Papa, away, and Kokase, Ebia, which 100 Taja, we Dinaja, near my corso. Tanapayan and Amfuso, Eddie Kuja, Quines, I betray. Train, Mana, Aja, Neresna, Quasi. no yɛ no anadwene obi anya wo sɛ me kwasi kwabe obi anya wo na wo aba wo nya butra so ne enye me akɔ di mirika ne train station kwabe kodu ya train tuku chaka pa to ahwa kwasi ohwe ne no yɛ ne ntie kwasi no yɛ no was kwasi say no kwabe oh just just this no yɛ kwasi yɛ was kwasi so yɛ that was no yɛ kwabe eja tu atwa trainer akwanya sasa pa o man ba ba trainer ni cheta takwa de bogo so aboso akwa man ba esa
ba wa nguko
Jawan ya mo command team ni nyina ba so unze okopie me Ghana American GCB Ekopon branch on the renovation works the works and contribution of a command radio in Yama into your motive in about so now GCB Ekopon branches so more about to say ya kind no also wait here what the Juman we share massive work across one. I think say we are
Kwame, we deserve better,
yes,
and we can demand it.
Yes,
we just have to. Debi aka say ujani oye ya ubenya adaji. Say also unibra. I mean, look, there are a lot of nyoma here at Demi Park. Oh, any Samuel Kushia. We're just one meeting. We are having this too. It's happening, and there are a lot of people in there. They are ready to serve. They are ready to support. What can we do? We just need to give them that recognition and acknowledgement, and they'll be on board to help and to support. Yeah, they come here, baby. Ako, come na kono so new the 80 club better radio so. The baby ako.
You know, Baba Bishame.
Ha no more froze. Oh, akuma tankers. Mo bo adwuma na me so kra me feature ha. Ana ha mo mehwe mo nti say no.
Kwame, it's about time me see okwape man that me tie no. Na number 2 ye. But encourage kwasa fujuma de Kwame. Kane no, ni nyina mienu ahoho ne embotem bro no bro ne pete ho. Na ne so ane atena kam ne akwa enwuma so ya bedu anwumre. Ya bre hihye no, enim se mboyen but yes, nano ada okay say Papa Julo Zebra Breso omede that first Saturday can buy we say we and the party say are we doing it and can we sustain it yende ye kwapemfo yende yesi ne be yende no just as we say say na no yende ye be kwasafujuma no new king new law and na kwaka bibia kwase kufu Breso there should be declaration say abribia ye be say kwa amonya chieftaincy, as institution, our certain powers. Or any from one and that chieftaincy ministry act. Obecho, or do police obecho. Oko court, they'll prosecute you. It's about time we come together and say, let's take the charge. Let's take charge of our society and our lives.
Me jira me yisa hemfo no ntu na yentie mu ni omachi. Me da bia meka se okoma papa ba ko da bia otia no pose na mintie. Osi mintie sanse onkrofo be ka kire na mitie mu abia biesa bi ana no pe ode niam ba ya ye kenkan bi osi ori otie kwa mo sports no ade nwa say na amanfo kire mo adwen say yentie no banyi fo tie no I was shocked someone for kire mo adwen say yentie osi no
it's not true
no ohini oche na adwen say ohini osi ahemfo mo ha nyina mo se mo atena burikiri and nka wo London na for 20 pounds bra wo America for 10 pounds for $10 bra na say anka wo boss afudwuma kro na anka mo ma anka okuma tankasi yese mo meje $50 $50 wuku da bia anka man kasa kra fa nkrofo mo aprade ama mo nti ahemfo iti aburuchire sa na ho mo ko na ya dada nti betu ya de ni su yi
esese odesi anko akwa ogwan berima be ye bi de bia me ka o dambe won se match good status say thank you Kwapeman thank you Kropon me kokra onim
okoyin
also okoyin I wouldn't say can come in this Kwapim no Eric Toffem and obia mpenika dodo na mpenika then ye betima ya mana ya kono nkwadan kitwe ye momu ka na eseni ade omu tro na Kwame ye kenkan book ni ade ye de sa na ye pagya ye ho oko Bureau of Ghana Languages the dex is where Kwapim dex no the last man of teenage friend no teacher anwa Misanwa waba retirement Abrante Crawford na constituency ko nu a on transit no so no ntimi Bureau of Ghana Languages wo okope better offer elsewhere or the hoja ho enti enkan na entikle na enye yen ya yɛnte ka sɛ obi ntie dex no a yɛka konyina butu no ana ɛkwapem ka sɛ yɛde kyerɛ twi yɛde kyerɛ bible ne ade ɛyera no enti odwan deɛ yɛ obi de kasa deɛ nyɛ obi de kwame adi odwan deɛ yɛ obi de na mo kasa no yɛ mo identity nyɛ obi de a ɔbɛhwɛ sɛ ɛbɛkɔ so kwame ana wo obi de ɛne adoyɛ ba ɔde ba me fie ana ɔde ba dwuma ma brɛ me ɛne pa ne ba de ayɛ bɛgye yɛkasa mi wonim sɛ ne teacher kɔkɔ ɛne maame ɔmbɛboa mi ne kenka ne ade no kwame sabi ɔmo yɛ mpani tɔda ɔmo sika pension ne sikakora na yɛtwa ɔmo haircut ɔmo de afa kaa ba tɔda makɔfa ɔmo tɔda makosi ɔmo dɛ ɔmo anyame no hwɛ neɛ maame mpanimfoɔ de ɔmo sika ayɛ pension sikakora ɛreyɛ ɛno ɔmbae ɛno kasa ayɛ wo ɛna nnura na mente apa ɔmo anhyia me nti just imagine sɛ ɔmo aba their own resources enti me nka ohini bi ɔpanini bi mp bi mce bi ɛsɛ yɛho sɛ mu yɛ kenkan na mo sɛ mu hia mmoa ma me mpanimfoɔ mu mfiri kɔ anim yɛbɛboa na ɔma yɛ na yɛde airtime no yɛne hwiri kɔ yɛde airtime no ama ɔmo lɔre fɛ nsuo ɔmbɛnom ɛne kakra so they can impact mamefoɔ wɔ pɛ sɛ ankɔmbɛyɛ kora no nka mabu no mmra no ɔmo yɛ a da biara no nkɔda ɔmbɛba bɛkan bi na kora no nya radio so kɔ a kwa menyɛ yɛ nkonkonko ne adeɛ no nka ɛyɛ me deɛ meka o sɛbi yɛn sɛ nkɔtɔ ne tɛ ɛbɔn ano ɔhwene tiaa sɛ wɔkɔ ama nkɔtɔ wɔ nsuo ho a ɔbɛtɛ hɔ a na aba na wɔyɛfa so akɔhyɛ mu asɛn ba a yɛnyɛ yɛbɛka no kora so yɛnka no kora wɔ mu no it is about time we rise up. If a Kuropon gets it right, all other towns will get it 100% right. For less than 4 years, we must rise up and get it done. It can be done. Minkasebi kromoko sebi heaven. Minkaseho etrasako. Yawe how edi, but we try. And over here too, we must try. We must try. Kwame, over to you, Jolate.
Chamo sir, Eric Maminchia, Big Afro, Chairman, Afro, Maminchia era Santuna, Maminchia, Dinah Wood in Suwum, United States of America, Monita shown into them. Dinah Wood, Michia, Papa, Nesini, Kama, Pa, Obugumna,
and that's for the Minya Kama.
Suban never ya kama wacha Antino. It's in Ishada and I would last 2 weeks now so on ya mama Joyce Bar Montari ejinama what to tunia masa Antino nim say bibia be kama tin dina minchana michi afrima ajima menu uzu temu adabraka
I have Mr. Ebano
frima ajima menu temu adabraka
I papa I have Mr. No
papa
and I for this year Only aninti emma ne die sie kwa me di ayi national script for the ibia ba musaka bi o see something say something call 999 I don't know Kalekuda or say me say something say something me I should say something I should see something say something anyway yes hu bibia kabibi hu bibia e ko potemo wa nenye ho na hoho na hu da bobode afre 999 and when me ya na omutu ona mo kwamda ko yes sorry so
me baba oyi Kwame edit no yinchia no oya de mama Kwame ho
say something na wa sha
and let's see something so dey no ana kasi so when say
na ya tiefo so muti embre ne don nyina no so da omo as papa nra wo hwe se ne salode ahon ne ni je ba because of a star 787 hash ahon din ne je ode ba no a otimi zampa kuma still yegina enaso mira dan botwe mechia no na no pe na ma sori ba kwanti Livina ne baba nra mu yima so tese waka baabi ma ne hyeden o no wadu krom
branch
no wadu krom ma ne hyeden papa osofo ne wonti ma ko ginamra bibia na bibia e kama nra hadwe ne baba baba akope odem ti mama Livina ma ne hyeden chobia
ara yes right so
Mizumichia Presby for the SD for Nina. Osha, near Mamma Niji Presby home for pa and say, Osha slogan now, or say that they all may be one.
Since I was a Jack or an animal. What's up for Betty?
Oh, minyai. Aye kwa. Enti no me chia mu nyina. Yenko so anya ba ko na. Yesi praye wo ka be mu a. Wo de bibie yeye but we ba ko fi ma ebu nti.
Na ka se boy fi am be do ko am me ho fi.
Oh, mo beba. Mo beba.
Kwame da kuni. Kwame ko duru adukrom ne afra baba ya.
Aja.
Kwame adi. Wonti apo as a team spirit yenko sra no. Ye ko duru edura na me wa ha. Na me to ayi wa ha. Me tunu me tini num wa ha. Na me ko pe.
Ya utie kasa kwa no ni fie.
Mbacha me honta me.
Hey. Na ona ne kasa amba. Na ati no waso.
Na me wo fa me kra me sorry kra na me ntumi nye hwe na me yese mo de.
Ajana me kwa me kasa wi na nka me se ba me timi se anka kasa bre no sika kana nka nhwa ade.
Ana pemde di Kofi Anson ba fo betuma frame me KAB. Sorry so Nyankopɔn da Roma yɛte ase nkwa we mu na bia me kasa de akyiwa yɛ nsoro no obedi de Nyankopɔn nsɛm sade akyiw na oni ne obedi a ɔma de kra nkyiw kwa mo sɛ
Abraham ne Castro ti ase di ade akyiw nkwa ade sɛ wato speakers foforo ɛna ɔde ba ko akyerɛ nti titi a wonam ha oti ɔkoma no na
mama adope yɛ de wase osu kitan pa sɛ kwa me kan so em service ya be chiawo
kwa me sɛ kwa de mbono tu ɛnura me ko ball arama ɛnyɛ me na ko yɛ ka bibie nti ɛna no yɛ bɛkɔ Castro sɛ ɛna so bɛkɔ ya nti yɛ be sɛ balance diet
ɛde for me da wase yakofo bo akyerɛ be hia
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.